Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
The Tambourine!
Big up yourself.
Tambourine family! I'm your summer! I'm your setter!
Trendy Lisa, big up yourself. Queen MZK, large up. Tony Fox.
All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right!
Big up An Blenda, that's how.
Hey, yeah. Hey. Upday. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But I leave with that bad mind because the win a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the
Ding-a-ling-a-ling, school bell a ring. Teacher baggy tie with a little drawstring. Wagwan pe Munche. Wagwan my friend Munche. Bombard. Man, always happy when I say hungry belly Munche, you know. Yeah. Nah, man, you have to big up the hot and hungry good as them, you know. You have to big up the hot and hungry good as them, you know. Una go hear that sound there. Una go hear that sound there. Una just work with it. Una go hear that little sound there every now and then, cause me right now listening, you know. And people me not hurry. Yeah, we have to big up Munchie, you know. Yeah, we have to big up all of the hungry belly hatters them because no care Munchie hungry and Munchie ever make sure say she look good out there upon them, yeah. Some mouth can beat her and batter her certain way. And I'm okay, brother. How about you? You look like your belly full today. Yeah, my belly full. Yeah, Even Munchie say you have to pick a struggle, you know. you can't just make the whole thing just be bad. So pick a struggle, man. At least have an era where you excel in. You understand? Men around here, Munchie, this other thing there. Baby girl Jay, what's up, boo? Yeah, boy, you have something. Don't get it twisted, you know. Hey, you have woman out there, you know. And them say hot, you know. But hungrier, yeah. Them hungry, man. People are talk about it. Have a lot of ladies nowadays, you know, go out with man, you know, just to get food. Yeah, you have a lot of women that go out with man for dinner date. You have women who just cycle, man, to go out with them and eat food. Because them broke. Even though one of the things we're training out a road right, you know. When I realize as soon as a man stand up for him right about something and thing, whatever, one of the commonest insult on the man them out there now was that, oh, that's just some broke energy. You're broke. Hey, woman, I fling that in a man face left, right, and center, you know. Who know that say that a going out there? Who knows say that a going out there? It's like a thing, right? Who know that? Yeah, I'm not gonna work with that because I'm busy. Right? I'm busy. To me, man, the headphone now, me I hear it. You know? Yeah, we're not gonna juggle with that, all right? Hershey Pie said that's new to me. No, Hershey Pie is a thing out there. Are we gonna be doing this all night? I don't know. Okay, all right, well, whenever people man under some deadline here, you know, so me I juggle my thing and you know I forgot I'm like And probably I have to go stop, you know, because you can't have them little distraction here going. And I like, cause this thing I have to flow, you know. Yeah. No, man, it's a thing out there right now. Everything are energy now, you know, which is, it is good, because I use it too. Yeah, I know it's on the phone and watch the World Cup. That's all right. That's all right. It's all right. Yeah. No, but a big thing where the woman them a beat the man them out there with. As soon as the man said, I don't do that. A clown you clown me out. A fool you tell me for. Oh, I just can't deal with your broke energy, you know, just a broke guy energy, right? Because you're broke and broke. Right? Millionaire Greenland, big up yourself, right? Me don't know if millionaire Greenland I do it, you know, if she a cuss man, I tell them say them broke too. You understand what I say? I don't care one flying F. If me feel say you violate with something or you going wrong with something and thing, and me go say to you, say, you know, say, me not too like that we are going with this and a right or whatever, and then the first thing out of your mouth in order for just
Good evening.
beat me and me I come the millionaire for beat me, and the first thing you go tell me that me broke and whatever. You idiot girl if you do that, you know. You idiot, me you fool woman, man. If you come at me with all them cheap psychology there, you understand what I say? Me not look for you, right? I mean, I go lower myself even go try if you say me I get a date with you or whatever, this and that, because you are for the streets. As they look at pitting them, I say nowadays. All right, what go on millionaire?
But there, what go on?
No, me like how that Sunday I catch you. That Sunday I catch up on the right angle. Me need to see you more.
See?
The light.
Please hide my back dog and look back.
No, you in front of one window, one light.
I'm not in front of nothing, my iPad, me in front of.
Okay, you have a nice little glue and lick your face right this
Me I tell you, so I didn't have no man problem and no man stress. Should me get rid of that little man now, so.
The one where you get what?
Yeah, me get rid of him. Thank you. Yeah.
You get rid of him already?
Amen. Yeah. Oh, well.
And look what you did out there marketing music.
I mean, must say.
Hold on, you know. Talkie got you, cause I love see uno left when somebody him left, you know. Talkie truth.
If me they get left, me that's me get left. No, me left.
You
I
know,
don't like
No,
toxicity.
that one they never come out confident doing it, that left.
No, it come out confident, you know, but me no want to feel like me a trim under the bus, so that's why I say it that way then.
Oh, well, you got class. I have to respect you
Yeah.
for that or whatever. So you left or whatever?
Yeah, I'm a day over here, man, my local business and I glow up. You understand?
So, you don't have to tell you the whole of your business, but so our cause is a sitting here for mash up now. Because it did go on good. You did out there market and things. And the way you did attack and whatever, the sort out did good. Because I know when woman get
It
good
did
sort
excellent over magnificent.
Yeah,
but
you
nah,
did get some
right
good
now,
work.
right now, the next girl I get it, oh God. I'm jealous a little bit, but you know it I forgot.
So when I like how you and him left, you'd go back and hide and joke look a bit just to get fix up and thing.
No.
So when your body call you
see,
wanna do it,
I'ma
cause
tell
you know
you,
that's something that you're not gonna pick up one new man just to start up, but through the body there, you just go with the X and run it pan him look a bit. You wanna do that something?
Raga, so I know say nah look for my FYP page, you know. No, I not do none of them something there. Right now in my life, I'm at a stage that I'm pouring back love into me. That's somebody. I'm giving my energy to me.
What that mean? Yeah, when you pour it back, what you do, you masturbate enough now? Yeah, because you pour it back in you. You pour it back in you. Wait at the rose. Show me the rose again. Show me the rose. No. Just give me a little prip sight again. Now. Give me a little prip sight. Just give me a little prip sight rose, now, man.
Me say God.
I don't say I nah move right.
May I move excellent over magnificent?
No, but me like how your rose, the color rich. Sonny have one rose. Me don't know if I care, she not care feet or whatever. But you know red and black the back of me? I saw Sonny rose look, red and black, yeah.
Son, me still tell your business,
Yeah.
because when you have beat Raga, I know where you drag me.
Sonia upper Canada there. Yeah, that I reach her rose bad color. She have one bad color. Her rose bad color now well at all. The red now whole pan it and thing, you know.
Thank you guys for the roses. Yeah.
Mm.
So what you deal with?
No, well I know, man, but me like how you know, look up breaking up going and you know. You know, sound like you put on. You know, some woman broke up and them stress I kill them like, you know,
Me dear.
like them under
That's right.
them under crazy body memory stress. Cause I want you ever stress that, you know, body memory stress. And it not sound like you put on. You know, sound like you put on. I'm feeling you, boo. And you think natural, right? You know, you're at ease, you know, you're not stress over no boy.
Nope.
Nah, stress over a guy. You understand? Yeah. Good. Congratulations. So what going otherwise? What?
Life there. School are going good. And life are going good and I feel great. And I'm
Nice.
here above the grave today. So I have to give God thanks. So,
Wait, hold on. Oh, your ear smell good. Where you laugh for?
you know it smell like cotton candy.
No,
you
no,
know.
your ear smell good. You can't look on a woman ear and what?
You can know when people have frowns ear from the look.
Yeah. What is alarm? No, you can't look on a woman ear, man, and know if it frowns you, man. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
See?
I have smell good.
Thank you,
Your ear, the condition of your ear smell good, you know? We can't see that or whatever, you know? Well, and you ever see some woman and them do too much with the ear? You ever see some woman and them do too much with the ear?
And put out the adult ear and say a baby ear.
Yeah, yes, when the woman them do too much with the ear, hold the ear, hold pan and smell bad, you know. And it's kind of like a subliminal guilt. I beat them and them end up like I try to hide the smell with the looks. Now that may not make sense, but me just show you like the psychology behind it. You understand? The smell, the ear hole, you know, and the ear not smell too right, and them end up do too much with the ears. So anytime you see a woman do too much with her ear and whatever, like too extra and whatever, the ear a kick, you know, the ear a kick. You sound
But
relaxed.
happy Father's Day, Raga. Jesus, I'm gonna come up here and I'll tell a good father, happy Father's Day. I never say for Father's Day, happy Father's Day, General.
Well, thank you, darling. I'm want to say big respect to the TamFam as them who give me a little blessing for the day too, you know. Cause you know how on the town is all about Mother's Day phone, you know, and I really get the father them as much respect and things. You see me, I say?
Sure.
Me I drink my coffee. Good coffee. It's from Ethiopia. Hello.
Oh wow.
All right.
Exotic.
Don't
Rich.
play
I
with
like it.
Yeah.
Real rich.
Did you know that coffee started in Ethiopia?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, man. Ethiopia and them invent coffee, man. You learn something to them.
Yeah.
And it's in what is referred to as a coffee belt, because coffee have to grow in a particular temperature, you know, so there's a temperature right around the world when them Ethiopia, the thing, them, man. What is Kim Fire? Blah, blah, get you rice coffee.
But I have rice coffee. Raga, I have rice coffee. It's not that. It's not
I
worth
know
the
what
hype.
Kim are going about blah, blah, and she go start her thing with blah, blah. Kim, right, you know, you start with blah, blah a while ago, but you take the fire out of your name. Kind of fire, you not need no fire, no fin in your name. Not
It's
going
a
for you
trend,
right this.
Kim, but it not taste that good.
Yeah.
But say me go make the mistake and put 2 spoons in my cup while they dash away. I don't like it, sorry.
Hype, Kim Fire, hype, but blah, blah, whatever, with her extra self and thing like that. Hype, take your fire out of your
Ethiopian
name.
coffee with it.
No
Ethiopian
fire
coffee
in
with it.
your name, Kim. You fi call your name Kim Wash Rag.
Kim, why you do it?
Kim, careful over here, you know. We're not too good over here. I don't know if you know, you know. Well, what I
You hear her? I look at Mixup self,
What's
but
this?
word it's not good. She know say that tastes good. You hear though.
Jesus,
It's not a lie me I tell
Kim
you.
a
It don't
wicked.
taste good.
Kim a wicked. Give her wicked shit, wicked shit. That she don't know say all that, you know.
Yeah, it not taste good, Raga. Me tell you say it not taste good. Me wrong about it too, and it not
Well,
taste good.
Rise it really come out with a little flair and thing. The marketing was on point and people kind of running and thing. But me not like me try it and then me couldn't, you know, me never want to hold it after that, you know. Me never want, you know.
I prefer to take up a bottle of Blue Mountain coffee.
But a
Sorry.
black people, you know, so me want them do good, you know.
Yeah.
Want
Since
them-
our black company, we can support it, but me not really like it like that.
Yeah, but them, you know. Tell me something. I want that in front of you. The purpose something there. I want
My blanket, because I have no clothes on my blanket. I have one. But if you did that talk about say me outside I tell people about broke energy, that's why I send you the request to come here and say, oh, me reaching at that.
Oh, so not really under a blanket then?
No, I'm a blanket.
Oh.
Me in my bed.
Is that fleece?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. It feels soft by your body right now.
Yeah. And
Okay.
and smooth.
You well confirm because you say, yeah. So you can you can pick up those little nuances say true you attack, you know, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So why you naked on that bed? You just beard or something or what?
No, me did say me I go sleep and
No, you
Me just
never
a
did ever
screw.
sleep. You never did ever sleep. You're lying. A ragga you talk to. You say, oh, your face look right now? Oh, your face look nice and you never did ever
Well,
sleep. Move your
but I go
blood
sleep.
clot. Move
Wait,
your
no,
blood
but I go- wait,
clot.
no,
and
wait,
go.
no,
I
but I go
never
sleep.
you can't beat me with that. That is not a woman go your bed face where you have on. A fool you take, man.
See my face, I swear I sleep with that sleep.
Listen to me, and I like say, yeah, one of them woman they will put on makeup for go meet dopey when them a go at them bed. Cause yeah, some woman want meet spirit, you know. And whenever them say your spirit come, them want make sure say they look good, you know. That is not the case. And never your bed you go. Wait, somebody a come over.
No.
Somebody a come over.
Raga, I'm honestly pouring back into myself right now. I'm not even in the market anymore. I'm off the market. I'm being selfish with me.
So what you do when you get on your Isla ride? You help yourself with the rose? Okay, all right, then cool. Me understand that thing. But me just want Sonia to see, you know, so cause Sonia have a rose and how long she have it. I want she to see I saw the colour for maintain because Sonia color, Sonia red gun, you know, we have been some dark episodes, you know, for Sonia there. I don't know. Not that we have anything against black, you know. We love black over here, but Sonia Rose no look, one thing
Rosy.
yeah,
You know, look rosy.
Sonia Rose no look rosy at all and whatever. So you say you're cool right now. You don't even look no man, you know, want
Yeah.
nobody. You're all right by yourself. That's cool.
Yeah.
You're all right by yourself. That's cool. I'm with you there.
Sometimes, you have to do self-reflection. And, if you realize you have patterns and you make the same mistakes over and over, at some point you have to take your own accountability for yourself. And you have to just do the work that is needed so you just make better decisions.
That's a powerful statement you just made. And one of the sentiments that escape most people out there, no care how much problem them in, them always a blame some source outside of them and thing, and them keep on and make the. You are Jamaican. How many times you're Jamaican woman said, sure, me nah no look with man, Me nah no look with man.
All the time.
And them a pick a same man over and over,
Same man.
And them not chat to a good man we draw for them, because him have some shortcoming with them not like, Right?
Not only that, him not feel familiar. Remember the familiarity, and because you don't take yourself out of the cycle, you continue to live it.
There you go. Tell me something.
Yeah.
Why most women don't like the good guys?
Because the good guys, because they don't come with ill intentions, they don't normally play into that manuscript that we are used to.
Which
You
is?
know, which is
the
they're not
elements
they're not overly doing anything. They want you to choose them like how we would like someone to choose us just for choosing us. So they want you to choose them for them. So they're not coming overly doing anything. And because of that, you know, we fall for the regular because they will be doing the extra.
You fall for the regular because what?
They're doing the extra.
They're doing the extra. You sure that's when we're talking about
Yeah, them
not
do the
falling
extra
for the
long
good,
phone
the good
call.
guy?
Them do the extra long phone call. Them do the check up a morning time. Good morning, beautiful text. All of them something there. So most of the time they have all that free time on them and
No, but those are the very men that women get bored with.
eventually.
Why though?
You know, all right. You know, most of the time after females hit a certain level of maturity, then they will never go for that. You understand? But it's like the common thing. It's what we're socialized to. And because of that, until we get a sense of ourselves, then we're going to continue to do it.
Is it does monotony have something to do with it? If a man is just predictably nice and just think that I really care about this woman, so I'm just going to do everything in my power to please her and not know that and this is true of people who
Thank
are
you.
like 45 years old and down.
Mhm.
Once women pass 45 or them 50 or whatever,
Mhm.
it kind of changes. But about a 45-year-old go down and the younger even so more the case, the younger they are. So what I'm saying is, you know, why women say them want nice man devoted to them and whatever when them get a man like that who is
Raga, me go tell
predictably
you in
nice.
Jamaica, come
yeah,
I feel like somebody talk it in English and he fly gone.
yeah.
I say, the man them when are good for you full of excitement.
Right.
And the man them are good for you, as I said, they're stable and predictable. So the excitement not there. And if your nervous system is used to excitement, guess what you're gonna go for? Excitement.
Right. Cause you're gonna get the stimulation and you're gonna
Yes.
get again, women in them 30s, 20s are common. Them can love a man who treat them good, but them still want some tension. There has to be some sort of tension there. Not too much or whatever, but something there will give them that, what you just said, the excitement. Or
Yes, yes, and about big excitement, me can't, but that's how we no problem.
So what would be your recommendation to men who believe that they should be overwhelmingly accommodating and whatever when time a woman like them and whatever to the point where the woman get bored of them? What would be your advice to those men who would say to you, no, but I just want to be myself. What's wrong with being nice to her? What would your advice be to those men?
I would say make sure she wants you to be nice to her before you start being nice to her. What if she doesn't want you to be a demon?
No. But you women never reveal her.
I mean, it will still come in the signs. Like how when we women, we know when a man is not for us, and we know when they're a demon, and we still choose them.
But
you know, them say opposites attract.
Yeah, but men, respectfully, most men are usually not that discerning.
Well, I would tell them the good-hearted men that have the good intention in them, that remember the world is a cold place. You know, make sure somebody is worthy of you before you start pouring in to that extent. And also remember, too much of anything is not good. And we live in a world right now, you don't know mad people. Everybody in a clean clothes a walk around. So sometimes when you are giving somebody something that they're not used to, it can also be scary for them and they will react accordingly.
Okay. Indeed. You're familiar with Dr. Mac, right?
Yeah, Dr. Mac, I'm a big friend.
Me know. You know about the ongoing saga over here, over there?
Dr. Mac, why you never call me? What happened?
You know where I'm going? You know, say our foot get kicked where, right? Yeah, one woman named K.
Doctor Ma, come up here. I don't want to get myself in a problem. What's what
Yeah,
happened?
man, her foot get kicked.
Come here, Doctor Ma. Come here.
You know.
Me can't send an invite on my life. Come here.
You look at she post about me and give her bun and whatever.
You might get me dear.
I'm a charge you, right? You put yourself in my position as a man, right? And yeah, your woman attack in a public, see? And you know the importance of respect, don't it, right? As a man, right? You know, so you have to command respect. You don't have to loud and vociferous and abrasive with it, but you just conduct yourself in a cool manner where you command respect, right? All right? And if you are your woman a reason in a public, and she just ball up about, I'm gonna lock you out tonight. You know, come in, the lock I got change tonight. You go sleep out the road, dirty boy. You go sleep out the road, I lock you out tonight, right? If you're a man and your woman said that to you, what you do, right?
I don't believe Dr. Mac said that.
Dr. Mac said she gonna lock me out. All right, me I go give you proof. Watch you now. People, Dr. Mac never said she gonna, not only that she gonna lock me out, but she gonna change the lock. Right? Yes or no? She said she never worded it like that. See, Angie Mealy said, yes, she did. She sure did. You see the people them I say? Say she gonna lock me out and she gonna change the lock. So, right? So you as a grown man now, see?
Oh my God.
And your woman said that in a public to you and thing. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do this? So talk it through.
It's a prank, it's a stunt.
Me say, no. Me say, if she said that, no, what you gonna do now? As a big man now, what you done?
Remember say, Dr. Mac, I'm a friend, so only thing me that says the man is, it's a prank, it's a stunt.
It's a Carolee right there, so she said she did, but I would do the same.
So Carolee, that mean he was doing something. Because that can't come off of nowhere. Me I do some critical thinking now. Where did it come from?
You just said that. This is Carolee who said she don't even kiss my neck. Right? She's a prude. Carolee said she not kiss no man neck. Right? This is a woman who said she not kiss no man neck. So you can't listen to Carolee, that me I try to tell you. Right?
Alright, make a ask.
In this day and age, a man go there with a woman who not kiss him neck and the neck nice. When woman
you
kiss
not change the argument, you know. You not change the argument. Come back, come back in. What did you do?
What me do with what?
Because that outburst.
No, you can't ask them. You can't ask
Reggae, you know, say me alone can keep you on your toes. Ooh, okay. Okay. Well said. There we have it. The story is done.
What?
She get back her spot.
No, she shorter than me, so if she shorter than me, so if she keep me on my toes, me I go a bit higher and then she lower, because that no make no sense. That don't make no sense, right?
Your Empress alone, Dr. Mac.
No, she way short on me, so I don't need her to keep me on my toes, guys. She short on me, then I not go get iron, she gotta wear on this and whatever, this and that. You know, so the whole away up here one night, about 4 or 5 away, and thing, and everybody a sing song and thing and whatever, this and that. And we beg her to sing 2 lines and one thing for one tune for me. And she never sing nothing, right? Me sing for her, you know. Me sing for her. Other people sing, other people up and in the live and thing. Everybody sing. None of we can sing. Big Bear sing, Ilian sing, everybody sing. Kia sing, right? And a Kia she have because a Kia broke her foot, you know. She said Kia her mate, you know. And whatever. And she not sing nothing. And we just say, Mary had a little lamb, the 2 line out tight, and she not sing nothing. Right? I want to come style up, man, and things. So I just tell her, say, talk to your friend. And, you know, she violate and thing, and the consequences reach her and she go on right, you know, and I go on like
friend, so. You enjoy the consequence. What?
Oh, God. Latisha said, hi, my husband. Hi, my wife. Big up yourself.
Latisha, you walk and look husband do. I'm not lie.
Wait, hold on. What you know about me and Latisha?
Yeah, I look husband or Latisha, I like it.
Wait, you leave Latisha alone. Latisha is
Over the corner,
loyal.
you know, we not have to know nothing, you know, we just make up what
Latisha
we
is here
want.
pretty much every night, and she good behaving and she nice.
Alive.
And she hold down what for hold down, you right? Latisha now look no hype. Cause when I run down no man who I look hype and whatever and come out in a public and they are not chat up too much thing. And Latisha know for governor thing, yes. So I know why you come
I have
like
new broom, my sweet. You know what? I feel like I feel left that place, yeah.
What?
I feel like I feel left that place, yeah.
Which place? What? Left what?
New broom.
What?
You not see the comment?
What comment say what?
Scroll back up. I have new broom and the broom image there a sweet McLean.
See, wait there, you see K in the chat, you say, and Raga, me have another song for sing for you. K, I do it right now, you know.
My dear.
Yeah, man, I K kick.
Election run.
No, man, K, you know, one kick in a wrestling what they call drop kick, where you go up in the air and you use your 2 foot and kick.
Mm-hmm.
And that kick down Dr. Makina, she fly out of the ring and kin over in a chair, them, you know, upside down outside the ring.
Dr. Mac, you get a Jackie Chang out of the race,
Me I tell you, man, the 2 foot K put pan her, the heel them catch her in her face and neck, roop, fling that out of the ring, man, and thing or whatever. That a beat her right, you know. See it there. But anyway, I'm glad for you still say, you know, a boy gone, but you know, your thing still balance up your under your fleece blanket and thing. Naked as a day you're born. Man, look on your skin.
Enjoy my life.
Yeah, your skin look, you know, biteable. You have that biteable skin there. Because some people, man, you know, you have to bite them up, you know. Up here, sir.
No, we like you bite all over, but that is for another session.
We're talking about upper bite.
Hey, Daniel.
Right. Yeah, one brother and I chat near attitude. Him do the lower biting, you know.
Him do the lower biting.
Yeah,
attitude, big up yourself.
Him and dog bite, them do the lower biting, you know.
Big up on yourself.
Right.
We like, you know.
We are upper biter. A Raga is an upper biter, you know. We bite up, you know. Yeah, biting for go up bite.
No, sir.
All right. When you grew up, you never hear people say, and look how him bite up. Him say, you ever hear anybody say bite down? A bite up.
No, them say bite up.
Bite up. They're not up for bite. Yeah, Jamaican, you know. Now, yeah, and him bite her up, he say bite up. You never hear anybody say bite down yet. You understand? Right, so. A up bite with up up bite, you know.
Sunlight say only dog bite.
Jeez and peace. With the son of AK Apple say Raga Miss Merle dead. Oh God.
I'm sorry.
When she drop out, when Miss Merle drop out, Miss Merle was my helper in Jamaica, you know. For years, Miss Merle was my helper, you know. Right, for years. Wait, I just Sunday gone. Oh, God. And you know, so I can't go Jamaica right here now because, you know, some of the kids, them and thing. Rest in peace, Miss Merle. Miss Merle, hey, Miss Merle.
Rest in peace, Miss Merle.
Yeah, man, Miss Merle. You know, somebody want to help her, but it's like, you know, Miss Merle was like...
Family.
Yeah. One time, you know, because she called me Mr. Kingsley. Yeah. And Miss Merle said, Mr. Kingsley, come here. So I say, yes. You know, I mean, you know, manners, you know. So I say, yes, Miss Merle, what happened? Sit down. So I sit down. You have a problem. What? You have a problem? I said, what kind of problem I have now, Miss Merle? So Kingsley, you know, say, you have woolly pack clothes. I never see somebody with so much clothes yet. So yeah.
You like her?
One line, man. He not done yet. So me I say, what? She said, you have woolly pack clothes. Me wash for enough people, Mr. Kingsley. Me never see somebody with so much clothes yet. You have the most clothes. So I said, Miss Merle, that you make me sit down for you. She said, no. The problem is you have all the clothes and every week I come here and the same set of clothes I wash. Miss Merle say, yeah, the one of the other clothes have been there, you know, wear them.
Why no wear them?
And I see him every week, me come and see him clothes, my wash and whatever, you know, wear none of the other clothes them in there, whatever. And that was the first time me I really think, I mean, I say, you know, that's something that, you know, grew up with, you know, and then you end up engaging
Have
in
a lot
excess.
and you're not even paying no mind, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, I say, Miss Merle, I know you're right. And she say, yeah, you can't just have so much clothes. Because, you know, Miss Merle come from humble circumstances and whatever. But that me grew up in a too, right? And I said, John, no, you know, you can't just slide down the part the easy where you engage in an excess where you don't even need and, you know, do him that way, right? You know, Miss Merle,
You know, them
man.
Them do the studies that say, you know, that's how you can know what somebody did like never have in a them life. Like whatever wasn't provided, them tend to hoard it. Like them tend to have a lot of it in excess that they don't need. It's just how we cope with it.
You see it. So you know, so one time Miss Merle did it now and a piece of rain come down, you know, man. But a bus she take, you know, bus and whatever. So she see her and she put her in her plastic and whatever. And I say, Miss Merle, you know, I go out in the rain there and I go in a car, I carry you home. And she say, I carry me home. Because she live down in Rockfort, up in a work I'll do, you know, with the hot stepper school there, whatever, you know. And whatever. I say, I carry me it up, you know, Mona. So we jump in our vehicle and, you know, boom, 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 chat it through the rain. So when we catch down on the ends now and we are going now, one little man run out somewhere, you know. But remember, she had watched me for years now, you know, so she knows certain things. So she knows I have a license firearm. She knows I have a 9 and whatever. But, you know, I'm looking weird there. She knows to move and whatever and thing. And you know, she buck up on the gun. She not afraid of it. She will cover it up and them look weird and thing. So when the boy run out now, me get boomy, you know. So when I drive, my gun always there, right? So when the boy run out now, I grab the gun. But in my mind, I hide the gun from Miss Merle the whole time. You know? So then I grab the gun, because I say, you know, which part me them, and I know what is what. So I go so boom. And you have a way now where you can, them teach you like, you can, if you don't have one up in a chamber, you can just lean it on your body and go, you know, and put it up there, you know. So I grab it gun and boom, 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 and thing and whatever. And the boy pass and him walk and him go where him go and I watch him and thing and whatever. So I look over and I say, Miss Merle a big man for me and I respect her. So I look over now and thing and me, hear me now, no. Miss Merle, sorry, here, I don't really want you see them something there, you know, I know say, you know, say whatever, this and that. Yeah, Miss Merle. Mr. Kingsley, you idiot. If you never take it out and select it, I wonder what you have it for. I was like, Miss Merle. Miss Merle say, you know, just say if you never take it out and select it, I wonder what you have it for.
Where you have it for.
Where you have it for, whatever. And I'm like, Miss Merle, what? Miss Merle, man, ever full of surprise, man. Miss Merle said, Mr. Kingsley, you idiot. If you never take it out and select it, I wonder what you have gone for. You understand? Whatever. You can see some people and think them look simple and whatever, you know, until you know them, you know. You know. Rest in peace, Miss Merle, boy. You live that life. Hard working woman, you know, man. Hard working woman. Hard working woman and things. See? Anyway, big up yourself, you know. So your beard already?
Yes.
Well, you look beard, so.
Yeah. Thank you, Daniel.
All right, then, cool.
All right, later.
What your soap name?
I have enough soap.
What kind of name? No,
Well,
I'm not fast and busy. I try to help Munchie. You know Munchie?
No.
Well, we have somebody over here, Munchie. She have a look of soap problem, you know? And see, the dog bite say you look clean. You see dog bite tonight?
Thanks, dog bite. Thanks.
Dog
Thanks.
bite,
The beard today.
Yeah, And see, Donique, she have a little soap problem too. So you'll be helping people. What kind of soap you have?
I use Dove body wash.
Oh, you use Dove, okay.
The other one, EOS. EOS, I like it. I like the pistachio flavor.
What?
It
That's
smells so good.
what I want the name what?
EOS. EOS.
Soap name so? EOS?
Yes. Yes.
Never hear about that one.
The pistachio flavor smells so good. Oh my God. And then I forget the body spray for it because it smells so good.
So Dove
It
and
smells divine.
EOS and then what else now?
I'm going to use pear soap if I want to use a bar soap. And then just other different type of body wash where, come on the market or we try. Yeah. Yes, somebody tell us that EOS nice.
Touching, big up yourself, touching, big up yourself. And big up your little one to big up your little one, growing nice. And so what you say, somebody say what? EOS nice? I don't know that.
Yes, all much of them are type it down there. EOS smell good for chew by the pistachio flavor. You won't regret it.
Oh, I don't know that soap. I never hear about that soap before.
Well, you hear about it? No, by the pistachio flavor, the green one.
So if I buy that one, I think people, ladies, I want to buy it, me.
Yeah, them I go and bite you up.
Okay, me buy it, because I need a look at buy it up, right? And me need a woman to come, nah, me nasty. Yeah, when I do well with some bite up right now, not from Dr. Mark, because we don't beg around here, not from Dr. Mark. Right?
Dr. Mark, you lose your work. I can't believe you. I am a friend, Dr. Mark, but I can't believe it.
You understand? Not from Dr. Wait there, because on the right, you say especially
the vanilla.
But you see it, EOS you saying, she write ESO.
Because we're autocorrect the word them. I know sometimes when it's the madness of the autocorrect.
No. She's from Canada. That's why it happened. That's what they do. They mess up everything. She's from Canada. Canada, she That's why you see it. I bet you say that's what she call it. When you say EOS, when she go in the store and go buy it, yo, you having an ESO? Not that she said when she go in there, right? So what you call EOS, son, you call ESO. Right? A PR spelling there, man. That's how she spell it. That's how she work with, you understand? A PR thing that you see it.
Oh, God. Raga, when you come back from Ethiopia again, carry some of the coffee for me. Give Dr. Mark forgive me.
I wanted to go there this year, because when I went to Ethiopia, it was on my bucket list. So I went down to Sashamani because they say the Jamaicans there were repatriated there and things like that. But the real appeal for Ethiopia, is up in an area called Aksum or an area called Lalabela, where you have these churches in the stone them and thing and whatever. For thousands of years, people have been worshiping there. A lot of people don't know what is known as Ethiopia, and that's where Jesus used to walk, Yeah, I mean, that era there, it was called Judea, right? And Jesus was a Jew, but he spoke Aramaic, which is still spoken today in Ethiopia. The language he spoke was Aramaic, and that is still the national language in Ethiopia, right? The Romans, them, took over Christianity, particularly in 325 AD, Constantinople and things like that, Council of Nicaea. But what we understand as Christianity existed before then. It never exists as Christianity because the first prefix in Christianity is Christ, but Christ never referred to himself as a movement, right? And at them call him Christ after that. Yeah, and then and give him the name there and thing. But what them consider Christianity from the person Christ who did teach a particular doctrine, which was really about self-empowerment and that the enlightenment is inside of you, your deity is inside of you, and whatever. That exists long before the Romans them take it up. In fact, the Roman who create the Bible, he used to worship the sun. And when him are dead, him got to say, all right, I'm going to turn Christian, which some people are say, him find the Lord. Him never find the Lord or nothing. Him turn Christian because what him did create in a 325 AD, him want to say, when him dead, at least him they confirm, can follow it, so that give it more validity and thing like that. But Ethiopia is just a fascinating place to go. And that's why I want to go curate a trip up there because them piece up a thing, no, enough worded over there, you know, them piece up a
If
thing.
you do it, you can do it 27.
No, when we do my trip, them it have to be certain thing for me just do it one time, you know, like Ghana every year. So
No, I say year 27 because me I try to tell you so them time them in a school so me can get for come.
No, them time them I do it. No, if when you say if you can't get for come, I'm sure you can make other arrangements for that so you can get for come. But with respect to going to Ethiopia,
go, me want go to the temple, go worship. You're not draw me out. I make me lose my seat to heaven, you know.
I'm just saying, we don't want any confusion here. So if you want to get for come, I'm sure you have ways to ensure that comes to fruition. But I'm just saying, with respect to going to Ethiopia and thing, and I would have next year thing, man, because I love go there. Anytime I carry people go somewhere, I want to go there first and ask question. And match out the thing. See if the first, and then see if the trip can be meaningful. And me go Tanzania, you know, for go organize one safari trip for a group and based on the feel of the thing and whatever. I go there and I say, me not bring nobody else. I mean, not because it wouldn't be fun. It's just like
safety.
No, it's a peaceful place, you know, but the type of people who ever come with me somewhere, them not gonna really enjoy the safari. It's kind of rough, you know, and the people who go there, them know say it roughish and thing, and them cause my people, it kind of rough, you know. There's a little rough thing about it. Me like it.
No, after 27, anytime you go for your trip, them you have to go send out invitation. Come on, come on, go travel the world. But I'm afraid to do it by myself, so I have company, I go.
Exactly. Then that's why enough people come with me. Them I say, Raga, I always want to go and so, but me afraid. But since you are going, me go with you, you know. I saw enough people juggle with me, man, and thing.
But I want to go to the temple in the mountain. That's so exciting.
It's amazing. I go because I want to see that just for me to and learn a thing or two and them look away there, you know. And make sure say our life is enriched and fulfilled and we are do justice to our ancestors. We make the ultimate sacrifice for you and we're not waste foreign. All right? Okay. But anyway, big up your good beard, nice, clean self, ear smell, good ear smelling girl self and thing and whatever. Large up yourself, all right?
All right, big up, Raga. It's always a pleasure.
And the pleasure is mine. Rest assured, the feeling is exquisitely mutual. Okay?
Okay.
All right, boo-boo, cool. Wait, wait a minute. I almost say a while ago say, I me need to come down, you know, but you me know the turn over here. I have to be careful over me, so I need to come. So people, as many of you know, we had a little TamFam get together recently. We went for dinner and thing up at this restaurant called Code Red. It's on Gunning Road in the Bronx. First, let me just tell you, I've been passing that place for decades, right? I don't know if it's been there so long, but for those of you who don't know, Gunning Road is one of the, like, what did I say now? It's one of the roads where Jamaicans know, right? So in every borough, you have some main road where people, you know, Brooklyn, Flatbush, Fulton, Nostrand, them road there. It's like Jamaicans just know them, right? In Queens, it's the same thing. Jamaica Avenue, Springfield, Boulevard, you know, Guy Brewer, Farmers. It's like Jamaicans just know them main road. And Gun Hill Road is one of those roads. Like Jamaican just, if you're in the Bronx, everybody know Gun Hill Road. So I drive on Gun Hill Road enough time. I must drive on Gun Hill Road thousands of times over a decade. Like seriously. So my past and it then near to the subway child before me have car. Anybody know you come over a Gun Hill Road station and you come and you walk go down. And I passed that restaurant all the while, Code Red and thing, and never one time stop in them. But when we are going to have this dinner, the people them start suggest place to go. And I saw Code Red come out. And I just know some other people, I said Code Red, Code Red, Code Red. So I was like, okay, it's a Code Red. I go with Code Red because I've never been there. I'm going to go there and thing and whatever. And it was just a wonderful experience. The food was really good. Yeah. The food was really good. The food, it tastes good. Right? I had shrimp and salmon and lobster and I had ackee and ackee and with fried plantain and think I'm good for full my belly, you know, and it was just really good, like perfectly seasoned, and it was just really good. So for those of you, if you want nice tasting food, Code Red. I keep it 100. I'm giving a bit of a review now. When I go in there on the Friday, you know, apparently them play music in there all the while. For me, the music was a little too loud, right? Initially. I keep it 100. The music was a little too loud initially and thing, but you know, you balance up your things. So I'm just telling us so, you know, on a know, because sometimes a lot of people who would listen to me or follow me are big people, so I know so some of don't want too much noise if we not go dinner one nice place and thing, but the music was good. It was just loud, and then because I was envisioning a thing where we were on a table and we are talking and whatever. So when we go in there, we couldn't hear one another and thing. But then after that, it's like we just adjust and we start to enjoy the music, and it was a nice little vibe and thing. And you know, when I look at something there where you just adjust and you're going with the right attitude. And the people there was so nice. Wow, big up our waiter, his name was Drew. You know, interpersonally skilled, pleasant, cool, and whatever. We met the owners, husband and wife team, and they were just really, 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 really cool. The food was awesome, and them take care of it, and it was just really great. So there was about a dozen of there, the TamFamers there and thing. And Kay was there. No, me have sitting with me have to show on what Sina bring, so me have to show on that. So me just put in one song, yeah. I'm gonna go for sitting them and thing and let go. All right then, Loving Dear and Lady G right this, I don't know my type of song them there, and a mix up sitting and joke and fun and humor. But when I make no woman dry out, you know, all of the man them out there, woman asking nowadays if you eat, you tell her, yeah. With food where you can stab up with your knife and fork and chew enough pepper on it. What's your point? Right? Yeah. Don't make them dry out. But anyway. So, but those ones say, so the one sinner now come with some sitting, right? I mean, I whoop me this yet, you know, right? So people, when they see this, say what? Ragashanti, TamFam, New York, meet and greet, right? See it there? Ragashanti, TamFam. May I show the people, TikTok, may I show the people them over YouTube, right? TamFam, New York, meet and greet. I want ugly man dip on it. And this at the back. I know you didn't see this. Look up here, look up here. Serving size, meet and greet, laughter, learn, grow up, family. You see, that's pretty creative. Yeah, that's kind of cool, yeah. And then you have TamFam, Outer Order Radio, Laugh, Learn and Grow, TamFam, Big Yard, a Mixup and Blenda Time, a We Say Thick Skin and Broad Back. I look down here, so. ANC versus SDC. A beer things are going. A beer things are going upon this are sitting here, you know. A beer something are going on here, so you know. You understand? So, and then now Sinner bring Bailey's, cause she knows the Raga is a Bailey's man, right? So a buckle of Baileys, and everybody get Baileys too. And thing and whatever. So we want big up Sinalicious for forward them thing and whatever. I never open one yet, you know. So I don't know where's one, you know, because I know me don't open none yet, you know. But let me put it over here. But me just want to show another. And just sounding more. If you haven't been over here we're family and we're a joker. Let me just say that again. Over here, we're family and we're a joker. And then just by hanging out here at evening time, different narratives emerge. And you know, we play a lot. We're ramp rough. We're ramp enough and we're ramp rough over here. So and sometimes people come over here and them, you know, them kind of run in and them not really know what going on because there's a lot that is said over here that have like months or 1 year of history to it and we probably don't know, you know. But over here, them know what going on. So there's this ongoing joke go on or whatever, and with different people. And one of them is K. And we end up as a K and meet K and know who K is and thing like that, you know. And as soon as Pat see K, Pat, who no know Pat and Tony Fox, I'm a charge it. When me tell you, say, them support me in everything. When me say everything, me mean everything. Everything. And them ever turn billionaire, them I want to me a can and say, me I squeeze on something, you know, all this, not tell nobody, you know, because I can't have to look out for you, because I ever have my back, right? So all when I know nothing to do with money making thing, I would just hang out, Pat, and Fox did it. And that Dranko the dog bite the too, but he never did it or anything like that. Anyway, dog bite and mix up for going, you know, me just telling you from now, because dog bite go Europe, you know, and dog bite say, make him get I digress. Dog bite need for come up. When me done, dog bite need for come up and go into the mix up. Dog bite say my walk and whatever. And one man see him in a Europe, I must speak and I one of them place and I walk up to him and say, you come here, I want you to take my pill. Dog bite, you have to go get them. Dog bite, you have to go get them in drama, boy. What reach you? All right, but anyway, we'll go back. Dog bite, we can't come in and tell them about that one. So, you know, say K roll up on the thing and whatever, and then when Pat say K, Pat must make some comment like, but K, you don't look like your voice. And I say, K are good as, you know? K are good as, you understand? And you don't know, you know, K in a little jeans and a little top and all these things, and K full of vibes and all them something there and whatever, and thing and whatever, you understand? And I saw people now start say, boom, bang, Dr. Mark get kick way. You see it, a beer talk start rinse, you know? Because you don't know, K come on and look at jeans and all look at thing and smell good and all these things, you know? Right? And beer something and whatever, you understand? And then now, on top of that, now the people them a juggle with K. We are juggle with K and whatever. K have a nice personality. The people them like K. You understand? The people them like K. Right? So remember, you know, remember you don't know say Raga champion K from long time, you know, me I say, yo, I K the thing there. I K the thing there. You understand? And now the people them meet K and I beat. Watch out, see Sina come up here. Let me see where Sina go. I Sina did? All right, I could hear what Sina say. I could hear what Sina say. Because Sina and K did I get along, you know. Remember, Sina always I defend Dr. Makina. Sina and K did I get along. Sina, where you laugh for what?
Because listen, so hi everybody. It's plantain chips inside the bag them.
Yeah?
The yellow one have lightly salted plantain chips. The other one
plantain
have
chips in this?
Yes.
So
yes.
Something in us feel it's something feel lace and kind of latex like in it.
What? No, wait, what? No, I don't know nothing about that.
No, I'm
I don't
feeling
know.
I'm
Maybe
feeling
Kay
lace
switch
and
out yours.
latex
Maybe
like
maybe
condom and
Kay
like a Victoria's Secret underwear or something. I don't know.
maybe Kay switch out yours.
Okay, all right then. But go on,
Yes,
Tom.
but so okay, so we had a great time. It was so much fun, right?
It was.
It was a lot of fun. Big up to everybody who came out. We had a great time.
See,
However, Dr. Mac is my girl, right? I love me some Dr. Mac, right?
well, you do, yeah.
Yeah, you always cussing me in because I'm bigging her up in the chat or I'm defending her or whatever. Yeah, she apologized. No, she not apologized. Then the lady come. No, she said she was not gonna. She didn't change the lock or whatever, the code or whatever. So now we're there, and then Kay coming. Of course, I confront her first, like, "Oh yeah, Kay, it's me, Stinner. Learn to call my names before you come for me in the chat and blah 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 blah." Right? And smell me. I even grabbed Kay and hugged Kay and said, "Smell me. Don't smell good. My perfume is $350. I did all of that, right?
Right,
Okay,
right.
no problem." But then we were sitting next to each other the whole night.
Mm-hmm.
And when I tell you, Kay got a nice personality, I was trying my best not to like her. I went there with the intention to say, after I cuss her, I'm done with her for the rest of the night because of Dr. Mac. Because I'm cool with Dr. Mac, and I didn't like the way she carry on when she come in there and while she trying to take people man or what. Well, she can't steal you. She didn't steal you, right? Because nobody can steal nobody, man. But still, she came here and she heard Dr. Mac and she heard you, and everything is Dr. Mac or Raga, and she still approach you and pursue you, right? So I said, okay. I went there with the intention not to like Kay. After I say what I have to say to Kay, that's it. But then I get to like the lady, Me and Dr. Mac dance, we talk.
You're Dr. Mac, Dr. Mac or
not,
Kay?
Not Dr. Mac. So you see how I'm mixing them up because you have too much woman Raga. That's the problem.
What are you talking about? Go on, tell me.
Yeah. So me and Kay dance, we sing, let me tell you something. I said, anyhow, Kay really hold Raga, you're dead. The way Kay was doing some hard wine over there on that chair, listen to me. If Kay ever catch you, your buddy.
No, that
I'm sorry for the one. I don't know if one pop gonna work with Kay because Kay had energy the whole night. I don't know about no one Mac.
I'll slip a disc in Kay's back. Don't play with me. All right, go on.
Wait, not super disc back. Oh God.
Yeah.
Listen. So I was watching. So Pat and Fox was talking, and then Pat started telling me about a Netflix series called Polygamous.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So I said, okay, I didn't watch it, but I'm going to go up there and try to watch it. I binge watched the whole thing yesterday, right? Yeah. 22 episodes. I binge watched the whole 22 episodes yesterday, right?
Damn.
Yeah, from the nighttime. Then I got up, did my little Father's Day stuff for my husband, and then I went back to watching it. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm saying to myself, I said, this seemed like Raga. This man with the whole heap of woman. I said, maybe because the wife, listen what I thought about. The wife, right? Not to tell everybody what's going on, but let me just get my point across. When the wife in the series was saying like she couldn't get her husband to stop messing with the other woman, right? Couldn't get him to stop no matter what happened. The minute she say don't go, the man go. He find his way. Or one time he ran out the house to go, right?
What?
To go to the woman. Yeah, he have to go over there to the woman. Now, she finally said, you know what? It's not like an African movie. So she turned around and she said, you know what? I'm going to accept her as the second wife. Now I accept her. Now you don't have to sneak no more. I'm going to accept her. So I said, this sound like Kay, Dr. Mac, and Raga. So maybe this could... I promise you that pop in my head. And then today, me and Fox was talking, right? Because we was reminiscing, talking about how much fun we had the other night. And then Fox was like, maybe that could work. Maybe Dr. Mac would just accept Kay. Because Kay don't seem like she leaving Raga. Dr. Mac don't seem like she leaving you. And Kay, you not leaving Kay. So I don't know. I'm just saying.
No, but Dr. Max
don't call my name. I'm done with him. Well, okay, so maybe she did leave you.
Dr. Max said she not in a no sharing as Kay don't make it known. Say she not no problem as sharing a Kay just say she just want her 2 hours and she good. In other words, when me here is a no stress thing. You understand?
Okay, yeah,
basically, Kay say Yeah, Raga, me not own your instrument, you know. 2 hours and we're good. Then you go on where you want to go. If you go back to Dr. Mac, you go to Dr.
No, she seemed real laid back.
Dr. Mac talk about no sharing and how she go come for a girl and this and that and ray. Dr. Mac cause a problem.
Listen, well, I don't know, but I just know that movie made me think of the 3 of you guys. But if Dr. Mac is saying she done with you, then I guess she done with you.
Ooh.
You know, Dr. Mac just put in the chat, she done with you. Don't call up her name, she done with you. So, but I see Kay is very laid back. Kay don't mind sharing.
When I Dr. Mac done with me long time, any woman lock out her man out and she done with him.
She didn't lock you out. She didn't change the code. She came up here and clearly said she did not change the code. I remember that.
Well,
and everybody else.
What she said about locking the door and change the code? What she did say? What she did say?
She did say she said no. Wait, she said she was gonna change the code, but then she came back and told
no. Hold on. She said she gonna lock me out and change the code. Now that she said.
I remember.
Right. All right.
To the gate.
Me not busy, but the woman said me not busy with her not she do it. And when she said that at that time, I make my decision and I said, no, you don't respect me. Cause me not do that. Me not juggle with that foreign something there. But woman a shot man box and all them something there and tell man about him for sleep on the couch tonight. Sleep on which grass couch tonight.
You're in the doghouse.
You're in the doghouse. Yeah. When me are doing at the doghouse? When me are doing a doghouse?
Because you acting like a dog.
Right? No.
But she said she didn't mean. Listen, she did. Okay, granted, she didn't come sing "Mary Had a Little Lamb," right? She didn't come and sing that. I remember.
No, she never sing "Mary Had a Little Lamb" or "Baba Black Sheep" or "Still the One I Love." You know, she never sing nothing.
Yeah, she didn't sing Shania Twain either, right?
She never sing nothing. You understand? Right.
But
so
she did,
if you're not do for me, when me I do for you, why me I juggle with you, you're not do for me.
But listen, she did come back up here and she did say, but baby, I love you. You know I love you. You know how I do you in the bed. You know how I do you at home.
Listen to me. You are a woman. You are a woman. Don't you have experience with man who have enough rash chat and whatever and nothing for and
That's
nothing.
true.
All right,
That's
then
true.
cool. You gonna follow what people say, you gonna watch what them do.
I'm gonna watch what they do.
All
That is
right.
true.
So she talk about a thing and whatever. She did sing even one line when everybody sings. She did sing even one line.
No, but
All
you're
right,
gonna base the whole relationship on her whole apology on her just singing. I don't think it should. I don't think that should be.
No. What you just
Ask
said.
for something else then.
No. That was an unintelligent question. It was decontextualized. You're not thinking. You need to think
Okay,
when
listen,
you speak.
so do me a favor. I know don't tell me I ain't thinking when I sleep. If I give you one slap in your head.
You what?
Do
No,
the foreign thing. Don't let me do the foreign thing.
No, you have to promise me that, you know. When I take, if I, you know, so there is some Jamaican things that I don't care for, right? Honestly, there's some Jamaican things that I not care for. I grew up with it.
Like what?
I discard that, you know, some things where, in terms of how masculinity is defined in Jamaica, and I realized those were really liabilities and, you know, whatever.
Right.
But there's some of them I'm still lucky into. We not take no slap from no woman. We not take no woman put them on for me and we take it and be like, I'm sorry, babes, and whatever. Yeah. And if you slap
I
me,
agree. I agree.
and you
with
see that's something they want to do? What wanna love fire lick per man, and then if the man lick him back, them say, one big ass steering man like you, where you gonna put your hand on a woman for even if she lick you and whatever, this and that.
I don't do that anymore.
But you know Jamaican women do that, right?
Yeah. I don't do it I used to do it too. I don't do it anymore.
All right. You know why I don't like that? And them, if the man lick them back, no, the woman, them, you know why I don't like that? You see, most women, except some gangster woman who know in Jamaica, them not back. But most women who put them on per man, they know some other man where them would have never tried that with. Me wrong or me right?
No, that's true.
All right. Me wrong or all right then, cool.
My husband here, I would never thought I'm licking him. My baby father, my first daughter's father, I boxed him down, pull out his dreads from the root, all kind of stuff, throw paint on his car, all kind of shit I did. Excuse my friend. All kind of stuff.
Because you know you could have get away with that with him.
Yep.
Right? You know how much time in your woman who do them something and then say, why you never do that with someone? So, who him? No, sir, madman that and whatever dead, you want me dead. So don't know who for frightened. You understand? True. Just as a man beat woman too and whatever and this and that with the woman strength and thing and whatever. So I'm not joining that something there. It's intentional.
No, I agree.
Nobody ever come Will Smith me.
You mean Chris Rock?
No, Will Smith. No, I'm losing. Will Smith is a little bitch. Will
He
Smith is a
yeah.
little
And I used
bitch.
to like him. He is
Yeah,
that
no,
was
me lose
that
half
was
time that night.
redirected. That really he really wanted to box August Alsina. That's who he really wanted to box.
No, he's just a
It wasn't.
coward.
It was. He only did it to Chris Rock because he figured Chris Rock wasn't gonna do nothing
You
back.
think if Ice Cube did up there, our future, our
I don't care what joke they was making.
whatever
Jada,
up
he
there
never
thing.
did it.
You think Will Smith I go up there go shot them box and whatever? Him nah
No.
do it. Him know Sam could have do it with Chris Craig. And then the exaggeration when him go on with and and you know and
So by his wife.
it was just so fake and just transparently cowardly
Yeah,
and whatever. Me lose half I boy and thing and make Jada
No, I
come
did
clown you and whatever and all them something there and them. Nobody a come Will Smith me. That nah work. Me nah take it. I war. I could have academy. I want me chuck on that and grab him in the neck and start beating him on the stage and all them blood clot. The one. And the two away.
It turned to boxing, right? From the wrestling and boxing.
No, we're not. And I don't even boxing. I don't even boxing. Me I take up the podium and I'm boxing. What kind of boxing? You see the box where Chris Rock get?
No,
What
you
kind
gotta
of
real-
boxing?
that was a real box.
Not
That
a
was
boxing, nothing. Me say me a chuck on that man. I wanna me a jog out in your eyeball and all kind of sitting man. You mad man? Nobody now will submit me. Cause you
But I
see,
think that
you see Tal in our chat, don't?
I see Tal.
All right.
Big up Tal.
Tal are one of them woman there, you know.
What?
Tal is one of them woman that would want fire boxing on your face.
What? You Raga
What?
from how
What?
But Raga, Kay looks strong, so you better mind yourself. I know she. Let me tell you something. A lot of women be like, "Oh yeah, I'm good with. It's okay. I'll share. I'll do this. I'll do that." Till the sharing really start, and you start carrying on bad. Then she gonna want to box you down probably too.
No,
so
Kay,
I'm just saying,
no,
just
Kay.
watch.
Listen to me. Let me tell you something.
Kay do seem really cool though, but I'm just saying.
Yeah,
a lot of
man.
people
You see, at
really
the end
cool,
of the
and then-
day, you hear me just I said to you, man, people know. Some people make mistake, you know, and things say that one look simple and one but in general, people know who for Kay knows that she can't box me. Kay not try that with me. Kay not
All
try
right,
that.
then you should have looked at Dr. Mac. As far as y'all coming from, and no, she really wasn't gonna change no code. She said it, but she didn't do it. Dr. Mac.
See, you still a defend Dr. Mark. You still a defend
I
her.
like
You
her.
come here and say whatever. I want a cake I look to.
No, I
Yeah,
don't need.
look here
Listen, my
too.
sister bake cake. I don't need to look no cake. And you see me, I don't look like I need one piece of cake. I don't need one piece of cake. That's no cake. Those are salad. Salad. She
Yeah.
giving out salad?
Yeah.
Is she giving out salad?
No, Kay's not like that. Kay not go, you see, I'm not for worry about that. Kay not lock me out and Kay not no bright enough to go raise
She was
her hand.
upset.
Huh?
She was upset, Raga. You didn't even, but you gave her no grace. You know that? You gave her no grace at all.
Listen to me.
Even when she came back,
Listen to
though.
me. Listen to me. Right? Listen to me. Whenever. You're being
All right,
redundant.
whatever. I don't want to.
You're being redundant.
That's
You're
not
being
my one
redundant.
pop, so I don't know
Right.
why I'm in here defending
Yeah,
people that
cause your
one pop.
record scratch. Your record scratch.
Okay,
Your
let me
record
stop
scratch.
defending it.
Your
Dr.
record
Mac,
scratch.
move on, Dr. Mac. Move on. I'm glad you said you move on. Move on. Leave K with him. Raga gonna fix K business. Leave K with him.
Oh, you mean me go fix K business? Yes, I make you like it when me
Nah,
fix
not
our
like-
business. You hear?
I like that. I didn't mean like that.
Well, I that
I
you
didn't
for
mean like
mean.
that.
Me I fix K business. Me go bend her and lean her.
So it's a good thing Dr. Mac didn't
yeah.
come. Even though I was looking forward to her coming.
Me go get K that no rust something that one where you stand up at the door, you know, and make sure I push up and thing and you take time. What? When me done with K, watch and say, you understand? You don't worry yourself. Me go fix K business. Right.
Oh, she don't want you no more. You only one pop anyways. Okay, Dr. Mac.
You see it. That's why you have to just hold your hard and make them come out with them thing. You see it.
No, brother, you ain't been the best. You ain't been the nicest, so stop it.
No, but I said she'll come out with her thing. No, you understand?
But everybody know you one pop. You tell everybody you just got one pop, right? So she ain't let out bust out no secret.
No, but
that's what I'm saying. It's okay.
No, but that in itself, right? This just showed like the nonsensical thing where she are going with, right? This because she's attempting to weaponize something with me put out there every day.
Right.
Like
Okay.
make it make sense.
All right, but Kay accepted. She only need 2 hours. I don't know what you're gonna do in the 2 hours. I don't know how long that pop is, but that's what K is gonna be good
Wait,
with
what
you.
is your point? What is your point? What
No,
is-
no, no. I'm saying you have K. Don't worry about. You
No,
shouldn't worry about
no.
the
What you
backup
mean by
100
what you
wins.
don't know what me I gonna do in a 2 hours? What? No, that was like a
No,
little
I don't think you can
underhanded
keep your
thing.
one pop is not. No, hold on. Your one pop is not for 2 hours long, is it? Because that wouldn't be considered one pop.
No, 20 minutes to a half hour.
Okay, but Kay says she needs 2 hours, right? All she needs is 2 hours.
No. You see, that's why you're just so young and underdeveloped in your assessment of K.
Maybe I am.
Hold
It's
on.
enlighten me. You know, I told you I like to
No,
learn.
but
So
K
teach me.
says she need 2 hours. You know mean say we're gonna do something right through the 2. Listen to me.
No, I know. I got it. I got
just
it.
being in somebody's
Watch
company and just
Polygamous.
appreciating. Like look at K. K has an engaging and an exciting sense of humor, whatever. I can enjoy enjoy K's humor for an hour and a half, and we'll do for another half hour and whatever.
Or you
and
guys
that
can
is
watch
too.
Polygamous.
Right?
Right.
Yeah,
You
we
guys
can do it, and when we're done, we watch Polygamous and laugh, right?
Right.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you know you're not getting no more than 20 minutes or half hour out of me. That's it. That's
Okay,
it.
well, I had a great time.
Well, if you get more than that, you know, so you get brought up, right?
Oh, yeah. Extra, much extra.
Yeah,
But,
you know, you get brought up, you can't stand it. No,
well, I
but
had a lot of fun.
yes, it was awesome. It was awesome. It was
Yeah, so
great.
you look nice in your blue.
What do you
What?
mean? I was just show you know, see, I'm a
Oh, but
little,
you always look nice.
my
Blue
little
is your color.
summer-
You look good in
my
blue.
little
You always
summer
look nice,
pants,
though.
them, and my little
You know,
shirt,
you
them.
just, yeah, but your little summer pants and shirt them be looking nice.
No, but what I'm saying, me not really, you know, it's me keep it simple now. Me not really
Yeah, but
dressy,
simple is
dressy.
nice.
Me not dressy,
Simple is
dressy
nice.
anymore. You
You
know.
don't need too much excitement.
Nah, me can't bother with I can't manage the excitement too. Me just simple.
Right.
But you see that though, when you just hang out with friends who have good energy, positive people, fun people, and relax, me would do that every day, you know.
Yeah, I had a
I
good
do
time.
that every day. I not have to go no big dance, no big event, whatever. If you just hang out with good people and you just run joke and them something, I love them thing, them man, and them. There's some thing they right, you know.
Oh, I'm glad you found your glasses and your phones.
Yeah. Them did
That means you're a
right
careful driver, because me, I would have lost that long time.
No, you
I'm a little
know,
rough on the road.
you know what saved me too? Like when you drive out from the event, you turn out from the event on the road, you take a right, you take a left, and a straight road go down at the hotel.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Straight road go down at the hotel and a good road. So at that saved me. I'm never drive hard and them something they like how you drive. Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Oh, you like my polka dot?
Yeah, me seeing a polka dot. It look good too.
Yes,
It
I
look
just want
good.
to show you that,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
polka dot is still in.
Yeah. And then when
Yeah.
you did a wine, Craig Khan said to me, but well, you look like Sina can't wine. And I said, she can't wine. She just had to look at something right. So she can't wine.
Oh,
But Craig Khan claims say you can't wine, but my whole man
I
and
can.
I said, no, she can't wine. She just
I
she
can.
practiced that in her wardrobe before she come. That's all she know.
Oh my God, I was practicing? Okay. All right, the next, we'll see it the next week. So
Our
the next
daughter
get
teach
together.
her that I look one move there before she come. Yeah,
It was a
man.
good time.
Yeah,
That's
man.
all
But
I'm saying. I had a good time
respect
seeing
for the
everybody.
forward and thing, and
Yes,
and the
yes,
support and thing. Blessings.
Until
right?
next time.
All right.
Until next time.
I
All
know,
right.
I know you don't beard yet, but you can listen to the rest of the show and beard after. You have my permission, okay? Don't say
No, I
anything.
actually did bait and I
No,
have my
you never.
pajamas on.
Don't
I
lie.
paid. I
Don't
paid
lie.
already because I'm
Don't
gonna
lie.
binge watch Nemesis next.
No.
Don't tell me.
Nemesis is entertaining. It's
Is it?
entertaining.
Okay. I just started the first episode. I
Yeah,
just saw the rock.
it's entertaining. And the boy was star it and thing. Me understand say him the woman them you remember when Power did just boss and then
Oh yeah,
and
like
everybody
James Sinclair?
I saw his
Right,
name.
James St. Patrick.
Say yeah, the brother there, whatever, the woman
Omari
them.
Hardwick.
Yeah, well,
I
the one
know.
in a Nemesis now, I am the woman them, the black woman them I say, yeah, the boy they are going good, they want 1.5 him, you see it.
Oh, okay, let me go watch it.
You see it.
I gotta
Anyway,
wait till after I get done watching the show, listening
all
to
right,
you.
big up
I'll put it
yourself,
in.
man. Yeah,
All right, bye.
Yeah,
Dog
man.
bite. Hi, dog bite. All right, bye.
Seeing cool. Watch your ride, watch your ride. Watch your ride. People, keep me youth them my daytime in the summer, you know, and because of that, I can't go bed late because them and the mother drop them off like 7 o'clock in the morning. Pressure upon my man. Hello, K darling, how art thou?
Good night, Raga. Good night.
Good night to you.
Good night, all the town
And a
farmers.
gooder
Good
night to you,
everybody.
K. A gooder night to you.
Good night. My darling, it was a pleasure sitting with you.
Oh,
I'm so sorry that I had to leave a bit early as I explained the circumstances, you know, but
I was sorry too. I was sorry too. Not only was I sorry, but it was a little bit painful to see you go.
And it's all right. And it's all right. I mean, there are better days and years lies ahead. Because the first time I saw you, oh, you look so fine. And I have a feeling that one day you'll be mine. Raga, you came along and captured my heart.
Yes.
Now, right, you came along and captured my heart. Now my love is so somewhere locked in your kiss, darling. When I'm all alone, it's you that I miss.
No, but we never kiss.
Raga, a love like yours is hard to resist.
But we never kiss. But Kay, we never kiss. We never kiss.
No, listen. I never said.
Okay.
I said, now my love in some way locked in your kiss. You get me? You hear me now?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
When I'm all alone,
it's
you that I miss.
Oh.
And a love like yours is hard to resist.
Stop. You're so bad. You're so bad.
I'm telling you, darling. I want to especially thank, I really want to especially thank everybody for coming out. Serious note, I'm sorry that those who could not make it didn't come.
Right.
Dr. Mac, one day I'll meet you, darling. Let not your heart be troubled. Raga belongs to you. And he's not going to get away. No man is going to leave a woman just for a lady that he just met couple weeks ago, couple months ago. You are the original. Let not your heart be troubled. But I'm only going to tell you this. If Raga give me, I won't refuse it. Raga, if you want to give me, I would not refuse it. I'm not going to lie to myself. I will take it.
Yeah, take it.
You understand me?
Take it.
I'm going to take it. And I'm going to lie. But Dr. Mac belongs to you.
Right.
Please tell me, Dr. Mac. She didn't mean any of those things, what she was saying. I mean, she's a woman too. And I'm sorry that I really hurt her feelings. But please, you have to go back on your knees now and tell her that you're sorry for hurting her. Yes, you have to do the right. Take accountability, Raga. I'm telling you. You understand?
Hold on. What do you mean sorry for hurt her? She's not hurt.
Well, I mean, you hurt. Well, I didn't hurt her. You hurt her.
No, that's what I'm telling you. No, she's not hurt.
Me.
No, if you ask her, she would tell us that she's not hurt.
She's not hurt, but she want to put you out. She want to change the... I would never change
but that
the
means
locks on
she hurt. That if you ask doctor, what she gonna post and say she never hurt.
No. She's gonna say that from her mouth, but she's on. No woman change the locks on a man unless if they hurt, brother.
No. You see, I understand her. You don't. I'm telling you, she wasn't hurt. Right? So if she never hurt, then there was nothing there to remedy.
Well, she's still upset with you.
No, she's not. She's not upset with me.
So you guys are back together now, right?
Me and Dr. Matt, no.
You see,
no,
you guys not together.
No, because it's discipline, you know. Where Raga always say, you have to be able to say no to anything where you like, though. And we live that.
And
so when you move wrong and whatever, we're not in a war or nothing. You just go over there, so because you violate. When you can behave yourself now, you come back and we can whatever. But up till now, she not behave herself.
She not behave, so she's on timeout, yeah?
Yeah, she still there on timeout. And if as long as she not wait name there and think the timeout can be permanent, because she not giving a good talk. She make Carolia influence her. And she not... You see them women, you know, let me tell you for them problem, you know. A lot of these women, you know, them end up jeopardize them thing with them man, you know. Because them have woman in them ears where either the woman them not have no man,
Yeah,
or
that's
them
the thing.
can't
That's
keep
the
a
thing.
man, or them life
Yeah.
is in shambles, but them a hide it and not make nobody know. Right? And them are the quickest people for advice woman for leave them man and whatever, you know, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Mhm.
Dr. Mark, I take advice on Carolee, and she don't know why every 2 weeks Carolee buy some big, thick green planting.
My.
Yeah, right?
Oh, so them a go on.
Yeah,
So them a go
Carolee
on.
buy every 2 weeks. Carolee buy some big, thick green planting, and she don't fry them.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
have mercy.
She don't
Oh
fry
my
them.
God.
And that's somebody there. Dr. Maka take advice from and thing and whatever. You understand? Or if you take advice on somebody who then not a man, or then can't keep a man, or them
That's
act
bad,
like them
that's bad.
relationship perfect and you hear one bag
Yeah.
of something will go on with them behind the scene. Don't. Yeah.
Yeah. And Carolee must say use rose too.
Oh, Carolee?
I
Carolee
use
claims
rose
that
as
she
well.
not. This is Carolee says she not use rose. She not use a lemon. Carolee says she not even not use her finger. You know hear what Carolee say? You believe her?
Well, she must be maybe that she not have no sense of feelings down there. Maybe
Oh,
down there
Carolee?
dead like on cemetery. Maybe dead.
Does say down the dead?
Maybe. Maybe.
Wait. Did you just say cemetery?
Yeah, but they must be dead like the cemetery and see. Right.
Where's the Carolee did that when one bag of mouth and I walk around with nail pen and dove cat down?
Yeah.
No man,
She write off herself, man.
No man,
She write off
no.
herself.
Carolee a general. Carolee a trick the whole of you.
Oh, she got tricks, yeah?
Yeah, Carolee, I one of them woman they beat her dead. She not talk what she do. But she go
right, you know.
Yeah, man, she go on we look at something whatever, but she would never admit that in a public. Can tell you.
She has options. She have options.
Oh,
yeah,
Carolee. Carolee always have options, man, but she nah make you know what she do. You know them woman
slick.
Yeah, man, you have some woman who do the something them, you know, but you nah get it out of them mouth. You understand? Carolee, I one of them.
Right.
Carolee post.
Please
speak for yourself. I'm well active and blessed. You see? Where's the Carolee? You're blessed, though. Carry a piece of weight, they don't. So, but Kay, it was a joy hanging out with you at Code Red. We had so much fun.
It was nice.
And I want to thank you for your energy. You're quite the life for the party in a pleasant way, aren't you?
Yeah. That's just gay, man. That's just me. That's just me, man. I'm sorry that we all couldn't many more couldn't come out, but life has a way. You never know what the future holds, and we'll probably meet each other and the whole crew.
And I understand you were, without telling people, that you were fairly close to the restaurant, correct? Right?
I'm just down the road from the restaurant. I'm just down the road.
So Big Bear never say I'm gonna carry you.
Well, Big Bear did mention, and I did say because it was so close, it was not a problem. It's not like I couldn't get a lift or something like that, you know.
So
that's why I said it was okay.
Why Big Bear never come carry him, whatever?
You have to ask him. He offered. I don't know. He offered, but he never showed up.
And your Big Bear disrespect you. If you make me know, you make me kick with him foot, you know. Oh, because when I want a guy feel like so them can come style you. Okay, when I work with them.
If Big Bear is in the Bronx, I'm in the Bronx until the ending of July.
Right.
He can pop around and we can get to know each other, say hi, hello, or whatever.
Right. Well, is who this now come up with? Who this you know?
Oh, you mean who this you know? Oh, you mean who this you know? Eh? Oh, you mean who this you know come up?
The energy where you look how me and Kay they attack nice and civil, and you come in here with that energy there.
Oi, Kia come like Matilda in her old clothes. Kia can't walk in a Dr. Mac shoes. Dr. Mac, you are wife. Dr. Mac, when me a grow, them say, cannot do what a man do and be a lady. Them they say, done. No apologize to no man, Dr. Mac. You know say? I am sorry. You say what you say? I stand by what you say.
All right, well, I don't know, okay. You hear what I just said before? You hear what I just said before, right? But the advice I owe in her years, right? And you hear what she said. She said she not apologize to no man. That Atan Spicy just said. You hear that though, right? This is the same Atan Spicy. We get so desperate. She try to reverse the fairy tale and kiss the frog for the frog turning a prince and it turn and a still bullfrog, right? I like nothing I go on for Atan Spicy, right? Remember Atan Spicy come here so come make we know say she walk in a hotel lobby naked and thing, all right? And them people let Dr. Mac want come take advice and thing, right?
Raga,
she fi take advice on somebody who do threesome with bullfrog.
Hot and Spicy must be related to Ninja Man, you know. And Ninja Man say he not apologize to nobody.
Me think
yes.
No, me think you ever say she look like Ninja Man.
Matey never look good yet. Matey, you never look good. Wifey always look good and you are Matey Kia. You no look good.
You know, you're a beat you. You're bigger for she beat you. K, you know, you're she beat you.
It's all right. It's still all good.
What?
Okay.
What?
Me take up Dr. Mac. No apologize, Dr. Mac. You say you got to change your lock on the door.
All right. Okay, hear this here now.
Yeah. Well on, talk. Well on, Froggy. Well on, the talk, K.
Listen.
Yeah.
If them are first like this,
yeah,
let it be. Because you know what, Raga?
What?
When I go back to England, I send you a ticket. Come see me, man. Of course. Let it go behave yourself.
Yeah, what?
Let it go behave yourself. Since they don't know how to behave, I'll send you a ticket. Come to England, man.
Yeah, me hear you, K.
To do with Dr. Mac. I guess when one door closed, another one wide open. Better best.
Don't worry yourself.
Better best come. Better best.
Me and you talk. Other people them mouth open and them say what them say, but all we are hear from them is ribbit.
Whatever. Let me tell you this.
What?
Let me tell you this, brother. Me sleep on bed. When you come to when Iliana comes, me supposed to come that turn and you come talk about me. My body used to bed. Me sleep on good bed. You're out of order. You're out of order. And Sesame Street Big Bird, who come talk about me no sweet again. Never taste me a Sesame Street Big Bird.
Who you stop with this, you know? Who a Sesame Street Big Bird? Eh?
The one who's supposed to pick up the matey and don't go pick up the matey. The one who's supposed to go and pick up the matey for the dinner and don't go pick up the matey for the dinner. Sesame Street Big Bird.
No, you can't call the General Big Bird and think. Go away from your son, man.
My big bird I come talk about say me not sweet. But right. What you know about me? What you know about me? You're not big beer.
Listen to me, a beer chat you have, you know, because all you talk, all Miss Piggy take with Kermit from you. Right? A beer chat you chat. Miss Piggy come take with Kermit from you. You know, see all your frogman. Not even your frogman you can't keep. Not even your frogman you can't keep to rotted. You understand?
I'm not supposed to keep my man coming up. Me no warehouse. Me no warehouse. Me no store.
Right.
Me no manufacture for keep, man. When me look like Tio, me look like manufacture for keep, man. Me look like custom. What me a keep, man, for?
Remember saying a Jamaican man no want you, you know. Okay, remember saying a Jamaican man no want you, right?
And me no want no Jamaican man. And me a change the
man you get what day we come from Canada and the man shot the sunlight in come for accident, make him buck up in a and give a little small run.
An accident. And it's no accident, kind of small run, a big run. I don't run there and I walk.
From what day, I notice say you're going like you bring the run here, you know, you want to take on everybody and you want to come war everybody. You're going like you're bullbuck and dopey conqueror.
Listen to me, me born the 7th of the 11th. Me a Sesame Street, Big Bird born the same day, the same month, but different year. Listen to me. Here by November,
How you know which date of November Big Bear born? How you know that?
Him say Big Bear say born the 7th of November. Big Bear say born the 7th of November. And that's 7th of November me born. Yo. Right? So no come rank yourself with me. Don't rank yourself with me. Oh.
Like so when you're born, how that happen? Explain. Eh?
What you mean by how me born?
No, like there's some like creatures we know them exist, but we don't know how them give birth. Like people don't know how mosquito and fly give birth, you know. Like so we not really know how frog give birth. How you born?
You're not wrong this, you know. Oh, you're not wrong this, so because in the 80s, through me dry eye and bare face and dairy, me ask on my grandaunt, oh baby, come in this road, and she say, some mother when they go down a river. At the sky, then baby drop out a place. So you're not wrong this. I'm not sure if I born for true. You're not wrong for. Now she tell me say baby no born.
Okay. But Big Bear have something to say to you. Big Bear have something to say to you.
Greetings, Anthony. Yo, no, greetings. Hold on. Shut your mouth, man. Shut your mouth, man. You chat too much. Shut your mouth. No, man, you have to humble yourself. Humble.
Yeah.
Humble yourself, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you all come from the big man show. I said, me and you born the same day. And I make people think that's what me go on. Me not go on them way there, you know. Unless I want you push my button.
Yeah.
Want you?
Yeah.
Humble yourself. We're better than that.
Yeah. Man and she put her in her
No, but
place.
better true.
I want you, man.
I'm speak. What do you want to me? I speak the true Sesame Street big.
They want to blast in Sesame Street. Me know how you associate me on Sesame Street. A big bear, my name. That's right. A big bird.
Yeah.
Then I come to say you're a big bird.
Jesus God.
About bird again.
Say, you know.
Talk, me I listen to your talk. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you.
So much bullfrog in your yard. You don't know nothing about big bird again.
I'm sorry, man. I forgot use one different phone, you know.
I lie you and tell her when the rooster out the door.
No, me use
me know why you're a cock door. Because you're a cock not crow straight, you're a cock a crow lean.
What?
Actually, you know say bend, that's why you know say lean. Don't drop, yo, me tell you humble yourself.
Yeah.
I'm humble, but me not make you call me down. You can't call me down, Big Bear. You can't call me down.
Me know nothing can't calm you down, but the Canadian man up a north.
Yes, I'm supposed to calm me down, not you. Not you. And him call me good.
You should have shame.
Come out. As me say Canadian man, the twang just come out of you, sir.
Yeah. Man come all the way from Canada and shell her out for 2 juicy beef patty.
And one piece of cocoa bread.
And piece of cocoa bread. People, I'm sorry, somebody called me from Nigeria and I have no idea who that is or whatever. You know,
you don't eat juicy beef food.
Anyway, that me not hear no energy, you know, me not hear, you know, the punchline them no really take, you know.
Hear me say, listen to me. Me I tell Dr. Max say, don't make you take her no eat that. Take off the ring off her finger and sell for cash for gold. Mate never look good yet, wife always look good.
Well, now, me ask you a question. Dr. Mac, they tell us that she need you for come chat for her?
Yes, she tell me to come chat for her. Yeah,
no,
she tell me to come chat for her.
You tell Pana, you disrespect her. Dr. Mac a bad girl we can't defend herself.
She not have to tell me. She don't have to tell me.
And if Dr. Mac wants somebody to defend her and whatever, why she have to go for one hungry belly mosquito like you right now and thing like that? That would even make any sense. Dr. Mac can defend herself. She don't need you for coming. And your mouth, I would bomb. Let me say somebody I call from Nigeria and I blew up my phone and I don't know nobody from Nigeria. Well, I mean, I'm going to use one different phone. You know, J-Berg in our chat. Big up J-Berg. Atta Spicy, big up J-Berg. Big up J-Berg.
Big up J-Berg. Big up yourself.
Oh, you mean? All right. J-Berg, I will charge you here. Know that here. And things. So, Atta Spicy, what you have on right now?
I have a little sleeveless dress because the time at my beard. My beard.
I never ask you about your beard, you know, I ask you what you wear. That's all.
I lie,
you said that they be too quick, man. I lie,
Hold on, big beard. What
What
color?
What
color is the dress?
Me not tell lie for bearding.
Hold on.
Red.
A red dress you have on.
Yeah.
How long is the dress?
Yeah.
How long is the dress?
Knee cup. Knee cup. I know Maxime have on. Me have a knee cup dress.
Okay. What's the shoulder like on the dress? Is it
spaghetti strap? It's a
spaghetti strap on thing?
Yeah.
Is the dress like what's the material on the dress?
A more cotton material, soft and nice.
Soft and nice. Is it material that breathes?
Material can breathe?
Yeah.
Me don't know.
Can I ask a question? What's the name?
Hold on, Big Bear. Hold on. The material can breathe. That's a common language that people use for material that, you know, don't lock in heat and whatever. Material. Women talk
That's
like that all the time.
That's what I'm saying to you, because that's what I'm saying to you earlier.
Yeah, put on the Canadian accent. I love when you talk to me, the Canadian accent. Yeah. So what you saying?
It is thin and the time is hot, so I put it on because it is thin and the time is hot. And I'm hot.
Probably it's not cotton you have on then, you know? Perhaps you don't really know what the material is, but that's okay. Probably. You know.
Right, I don't
Could be
know.
satin.
Well, satin would be thin, but I don't think it's satin, Shama. You do have thin cotton, you know, but not really. I mean, I think of that, Shama. Well, I'm saying in a red spaghetti strap dress. You know, a red spaghetti strap dress and thing, whatever. All right, what are you doing right now? You stand up or you sit down?
I sit down, I drink, but just don't eat. I'm I drink and back like carrot juice.
Where are you sitting? At your table or upon a sofa? Oh, you don't have a sofa. At your table or upon your bed? Where are you sitting?
I'm sitting on the sofa. Come if you position the phone, make it pick up.
Is this? Are you calling a hassock? You call your hassock a sofa? Is that what you're calling a hassock a sofa?
That is no, not a hassock, a settee, a settee.
That's even worse.
Is it
I don't care what you want.
Well on, is it the three-seater settee or the love seat settee?
The three-seater one I can sleep in it because it is tall and big just like me.
Okay. Well,
I can sleep in it.
Well, it wouldn't be tall, it would be wide. That is what you meant to say. So so all right then, cool. So what color is the settee?
Brown.
You have a brown settee in your house?
Brown. Yes.
All right then. You have anything matching? You have a love seat for match your settee?
Nope.
No. Okay. No, nothing wrong with that. Just a settee alone. I say you sleep in night sometime?
Yes.
Okay. Is your legs crossed right now or are them open?
They're open out like hospital bed.
Oh my God.
Wow.
No, that one the correct, you know. I first good. Well, since you're rule, since you're up here, you know, I best punchline that you should both. I want the connect. Me not like Atta Spice. I want the connect. Prezi would have proud of you for that one there, I think, you know. Prezi would have probably draw back for you if you met that one there a while ago. You see it and thing, but you know, every man you get, Kevin gone, Prezi gone. You did a dead over crisscross. Nothing ever go on this. So. I like man them you want that. You them either left you or you never get them and thing. But I pray for you sometime, you know, cause you have somebody pick me to so we want, you know.
Exactly. And don't stop praying. Don't stop praying.
All right. But you need to leave K alone, because I don't know where you come here and want to worry. You know, she say K is a peaceful person. You see,
Me just start the truth.
K did
Me
a
just tell
war.
her the truth.
Well, and K did
Me
a
get-
war you.
K can't war me.
No,
Cause
but so where you
can't
war
war
her for? So
Scotland.
where you war K for?
Me not war her. Me just tell her the truth. Say she a
Nah,
mate you make
nah,
never
but
look
you
good.
talk up a
And
bag
it's
of
all
shit
right.
and thing, whatever, and thing you beat her for what? Where you beat her for? Right?
So to start the
What have
truth.
I
This is
What
to
have
me.
I done? What have I done hot and spicy? What have I done to you?
Take
What?
Dr. McMahon. Take Dr. McMahon. Me I come here go say one bag juice.
You-
Yeah,
People, me want to say, you know, right? You hear she said
Yeah,
the
well-
hottest thing them. She said, okay, Dr. Matna said them something. I saw it always going, you know. The one where in at the thing where you that thing say them would have go on with the thing I want the war and them I do it, you know. All of them something where she attack K with. Dr. Matna said nothing like that, but okay, you know. Right, Dr. Matt just big up herself and say Ray, whatever. So right, so Dr. Matt nah sneeze, you know, and Miss Lady, yeah, Miss Fraggy, yeah, Fraggy come on and vomit and a thing, you know, on behalf of Dr. Matt and thing. Why she do all of that? All who are going, anybody who don't know say this is true. Hot and Spicy never did I defend Dr. Mac. Well, let me talk. Fraggy, let me talk. Doctor, she never did I defend Dr. Mac. She come out and start defending a war for Dr. Mac after Elaine get the cake.
It's a wicked nation.
Is when Elaine get the cake at that time she roll out and I defend Dr. Mac. People, all we are going right just a ice thing she look. A ice thing she look. A ice thing she look. A ice thing she look from Dr. Mac. A ice thing you look from Dr. Mac and Dr. Mac now buy no cake for you. Lucky if you get one cup cake. You're lucky if you get a cup cake. You're there, you're cost for cake. You're cost for cake.
Yeah, Dr. Mac can't buck up in a hospital. That's why I defend her.
Boy, you're cost for cake and you're not getting none. You're not getting no cake.
I defend Dr. Mac.
Not even ice cream cake.
Can't buck up in a hospital.
But buck up in a hospital and whatever and this like that and whatever. You see Dr. Mac in a hospital going there for problem. You see Dr. Mac go hospital for problem and when the doctor examine her.
That's why I defend her because I can't buck up.
You're not buck up now where you try to make your Dr. Mac in a combo and whatever. When you're the hospital for your frog disease, don't mix up Dr. Mac with that, here. Don't mix up Dr. Mac with that. Don't mix up Dr. Mac with that.
I'm just saying, no, because you're comfortable saying I defend Dr. Mac for cake. I don't want no cake.
You're not getting no cake from Dr. Mac. You're not getting no cake from Dr. Mac. Right? All we are going to war, you're there, you're war for ice thing. You're war for ice thing. You're war for Long Island ice thing. You're war for Long Island ice thing.
Me no walk with my belly.
You're war for
Me no walk with my belly.
Wait, hold on.
Me no walk with my belly.
Hold on. What do you say? I'm the one calling you. Sorry for this. Hold on, if me look on this, it's going to cut on off.
You must know, look now.
No, me no want to look and it go cut on off. Somebody, a lady that link me from Nigeria, but me no know who that. Me no know I want to go on it. She said, I'm the one calling you. Sorry for disturbing. Me say one message, but me don't know if me look on the other message. People.
Man and them scam thing, you know.
Nah, me don't know. But you think says scam can't catch me?
No, me not say it I will catch you, but me I say it as I say, you know.
All right then, scam. So Dr. Mac I look over, the Dr. Mac say let her text you and whatever, you see it? Right? So all they hear the people them a cuss and a go on and come here look icing from Dr. Mac and whatever. And she not get no cake or icing.
Me no walk with my belly.
She not get no cake or icing.
Me no walk with my belly. Nobody
Big
can
beer, she not get no cake or icing from Dr. Mac. Remember me tell you, she not get no cake or icing from Dr. Mac.
Yeah, you know what that conversation then?
Right?
Wicked
not
man,
get
yeah, you know what
no
the confession
cake
of
or
wicked
icing
man.
from Dr. Mark. Yes, your kid just peacefully say, what did I do and whatever, and she want to come attack you and go on with one bag of
Wicked
something and
man.
whatever, this like that.
Wicked
And,
man, me dey tell you, say me dey- wicked man, me dey tell you, say me want cake. I still wicked man.
the,
Eh?
we have all deduced it already, and we know, say, when Alien get the cake, at that time you run in and come in, all right? We all
Don't
know.
stop singing it.
Right.
Don't stop singing it.
The whole of we know, say, the
Don't
cake you
stop
want,
singing it.
right? A cake you come
Don't
here
stop
for.
singing it. Don't stop singing that song there, all wicked.
Well, and me see
All
so.
wicked, all Judas. Don't stop singing that song there.
All right, anyway, I'm going to juggle here now, you know, but big up your... Wait, who this? Well, and... Wait, did that person? I over phone a feedback, so.
Under my one.
Okay.
Not mine.
You know me?
Not my piece of... Can me position my one. That it can pick up.
If you pick up the people their Wi-Fi.
And so what? A Jamaica me there.
And you call Raga Judas and look at your T people Wi-Fi. Look on you.
Yeah.
In your froggy couture dress where you wear.
Froggy
Aye.
Couture. Froggy
Aye,
Couture.
No, here then
Somebody
my
said that in
hand.
the chat. Me not take credit for it. In your froggy couture dress where you wear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, let me stay on my froggy couture dress. Yeah. No, here
Yeah.
then my hand, here then on my fingernail. Coming have a fingernail. So
Only
me
your-
supposed to thief.
Only your belly in a yarn me go. Stay there.
My belly, none of my hand, nigga. You know what with my belly?
You walk with it right in the yarn me go. Move on your stomach.
All right.
Me not hungry. Me no walk with my belly.
You sound hungry right there now.
Yeah,
Go look at the food.
Hot and spicy.
Me
Blessing.
just don't eat something. Let me tell you what me eat. Fish and rice and peas. Me just don't eat. Undernight rice and peas. Cold peas me cook too. With brown rice. Me dinner yesterday.
What kind of fish? What kind of fish? What kind of fish?
Sprat.
Freshwater fish. If I even scrap my belly full, freshwater fish me buy
No.
$1,000 a pound.
Well on. Then the freshwater fish now have a name or a fish name.
Freshwater, right? I read freshwater fish raga. When I go to fresh, I'm sea fish. It's not sea fish. So now make up your face like when time sun and moon.
So what I'm saying, when you go down there and you buy the fish, you say, I want some freshwater fish, and that you say?
Yes, because it's fresh. Yes, it's not in the meat shops. They have the people that will sell the freshwater fish. Like when you go to a Spanish town.
I know, but what I say is the freshwater fish, them have a name too. Because you have different fish come from freshwater. So me answer, which one?
The red one. Not the black one.
No.
And the red freshwater fish. You have no
Now,
name.
ask a question now.
Freshwater fish.
Uncle, me not shame to say, me not know about this freshwater fish. What kind of freshwater fish? How you look? Or what kind of fish that?
It's red. You have the black one and you have the red one.
You have the
what
red
them
one.
not come not see.
Big bear, what I'm saying. You have the black one and the red one, man.
She's on about. Yeah.
And the red one, man. I just the red one, man. The red one. Right.
Yes, when you go out to Spanish stuff, but at Twitman Park and you see them have them out there live before. If you not bite them, not kill it.
Yeah.
Brother, you live in Jamaica long time.
No, me know how.
Right.
When I used to train police, I don't know if they still train them out there.
Right. They still train police out there. Right.
Okay, yeah.
The freshwater.
Okay. Then you gone so far out this one and you don't live over that side there?
The last time I checked vehicle run pan road.
You know, so a vehicle make you over there, so. You
I
not
wanna know
left
about
all the way from Maryland, all the way up near Garden Town side and gone all the way over Spanish Town just to buy fish. You not do that.
Why not?
Oh man, talk true.
You know why people let money and take over there, don't?
No, me not take no man over the car. Me no know no man over
Spanish
the
town man, you take Spanish
Me not
town,
know
a
no man
Spain
of-
town man. A Spain town
Me
man,
not
you
know
go
that.
up there.
Don't do that.
You go
Don't
over
do
there,
that.
you go over there for give him
Don't
your
do
fish, and
that.
why you give him your fish, you just buy some
That's
fish
rude.
too. That a
That's
go on.
rude.
That a go on. You
That's
going over there.
rude.
I take the
Rude.
people, them
That's
man.
rude.
I know say Kimberly
That's
have one man
rude.
a
Don't do
Spanish
that.
town. Kimberly in here have one man a Spanish town. I bet you a Kimberly money
Don't
over
do
there
that.
take.
Don't do that. That's rude. Are you crazy?
What you do all
Are you crazy?
anytime you
Yeah, the
start
twang.
tongue, you know, anytime you start tongue, you know, that well, anytime you start twang, you know, I lie, you tell you,
I
know,
lie,
you're
you tell.
wicked. Yeah, and it's no big beer. Anytime she start twang, man. Anytime she start twang, you know she gone in a lies wood.
No, me not tell a lie. So when me not got Spanish town man food war, they me tell us so much Irish town, Red Light, Creighton, Woodford, Garden Town, Mavis Bank, Isle Blue, Kentire, August Town. Pop so far go look man.
Exactly, because all of them town they want, none of the man them in them town they want you.
I lie you what tell me no want them. Lie you what tell me no want them. Me no want them.
Them don't
Because you can pick, choose, and refuse.
no, them don't like your bag juice.
They don't feel like my bag juice.
Eh?
They can't like my sour sap.
Well, anyway, blessings and respect, you know. But Kia, me no want to make people call you down and make you gone in a silence, you know, Kia. Okay.
Yeah, blessings and love and respect to you, Kay. And
This is how I give everybody a chance. I had my turn, then I give in her turn, like that. You know, you got to respect each other for until when they finish saying what they're saying. You understand?
Right. And then give it that she has a lot to say.
Yeah,
then
because
that is why.
you can't understand two people speaking at the same time.
Oh my God,
You cannot
Kay.
understand two people.
Kay, you sound so composed and balanced and secure within yourself. I don't hear you shouting. I don't hear you hysterical. I don't hear you out of
There is no
control.
need.
I don't hear you being unnecessarily insulting like other people. Me not call them name. You just sound so different. You know?
Raga, I'm not an argumentative person.
Right.
I am a lover.
Not
I
a
am a
fighter.
lover.
You're
That's
a
what
lover,
I
not a
am.
fighter. Yeah.
I don't fight.
Yeah.
There is no reason to fight
No
over
reason to
nobody.
fight. You just love a man
reason.
down. You just love a brother down and things like that.
That's it. I
That's
could
it.
keep it cool and simple.
Yeah, that's
you know?
it. Yeah, that's right. And
That's how it goes.
perhaps there are those who would do well to take a page out of your book. Their lives would be significantly enhanced if they do.
Hopefully one day everybody will learn at their own pace, I guess.
I agree. I am inclined to agree with that.
Yeah, man. Oh, my darling, my sister is up here, man. My sister just jumped in the box.
Oh.
My sister Elaine just came up in the box.
All right. This is gonna get interesting now.
Nano close Raga.
Hello, Elaine.
Hey, you get too much fucking time. What kind of time? About time. She not even know the fish what she just done eat, but the red one.
Jesus.
Your name Red Snapper.
Yeah, I name fish, I don't know the name. And thing down.
Me not supposed to know the name. Me want to say name fish.
Right?
Raga.
Yeah?
Everything what she has about she have in her house, only a stool she have in her house.
One little stool in her.
Nothing wrong. At least me sit down.
One little
At
stool.
least me sit down.
Come on,
At least me not stand up.
Yeah.
Girl, you come out and I diss me man and care the wrong thing you ever do with friendship. I go mash up. No.
Yo,
when you are running out, me take your blouse and skirt, rub out. You supposed to rub out back here, your man.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
see
your
like
man got the next one.
like how Raga done with Dr. Mac for me and your friendship mash up. No, because long time ain't see them I tell me to watch you.
Yeah, your man don't make one. Put your man together on the door, make one.
Move your back so we
You
make
know
more
about
than
that
one.
talk,
Look on you.
but don't even make one. You don't even make a negative fraction.
You can run in, you know.
You don't even make a
because your woman
negative
come out
You're
of
fraction,
bright.
much
You
less to
don't
make
gonna
one.
run in because your woman
Look
come
on
out.
you. Look on you. You
You
make
not gonna
half
put
both
in
of me.
your-
No, me and Elaine make
woman
more
be a
than
friend.
one. Move. Look
You
on you,
say your
man.
woman
You
be a
need to look
friend.
somebody.
Yes,
Big beer,
why
Bill.
your woman be a
Big
friend?
beer,
Yes,
well
say
on,
your
well
friend.
on. Big beer, Bill.
Where?
Alien,
Hey.
talk to her. Bill, big beer. Alien, talk to her.
Mm.
I turn
Where?
spicy.
Positive, yeah, look.
I turn spicy.
Anytime
Anytime you want come for me, you have to know the name of fish when you eat. When you don't know the name of your fish, you can't talk to
I know the
nobody.
name of the fish me I eat. I know the name of the fish me I eat. And the fish me I eat. I don't want to know the name because I don't want to eat name. I fish me I eat.
That's why your mouth careless. That's why your mouth careless. Right?
Like your name anything.
My mouth not careless. At one place my mouth stop. My mouth stop one place because guess what? Stop leaking in my mouth. You think of them all done breaks?
Okay, now make a turn spicy bully you. She a weak fence. Yeah, don't follow. She weak.
No, are you a weak fence? Are you a weak fence? Yeah, your man, because all along your man dumb after you come, your man gets strength. Yes, it's a 2 hours to come and me alone. My back broad.
Of course, I the
No,
two we
the
are
two are we.
come. At least I the two we are come.
You can't argue with me and me can't
spicy.
argue because guess
I
what?
turn
The two is
spicy.
Mada like.
I turn
What?
spicy. Me and Big Bear
Talk.
come. You come in a lobby.
At least me still come.
Them
At
dead.
least me
Them
still come.
dead.
You argue and come, but at least me still come.
Well.
You can't argue with me because when you go down a town to go buy one blouse, a small you buy, let's see a small me buy. None of we no bigger than none. Remember, say the store we wear the same size pants, size 3. So talk.
I turn
You
spicy.
can't argue with me.
I turn spicy. Go rest your brain. You want to sleep. You not no punchline tonight. You reach down a town and all kind of something. Me not go town tonight.
Me I tell you, say the two we Margaret, two we wear the same size, so none of we can argue with each other. But you have to give your man strength. That me I make you know. Can not give me no time.
Me we a pound and a half and you we a pound. Me we a pound and a half and you we a pound. So it two we no wear the same.
But 2 pound me wear.
Alien, me notice say when you move to our chat, but me and you can't argue, me and you can't because we are the same and whatever. You realize what going on right there, so what you try to do? You realize what you try to do?
What we not try to do?
I thought about me and you can't argue, me and you, after you move to me and you can't argue because we are the same, right? You know, she beg it out, Alien. I beg it out, you know. I beg it out. I beg it
No
out.
retreat, no surrender.
I beg it out.
No surrender. Me not beg out nothing.
I beg it
no
out
retreat,
because
no
me I
surrender.
tell her plain and straight and she moved to K and Big Bear. She moved to me.
Exactly. Wet toilet paper hot and spicy. When you roll out your thing and whatever, you move to Kia and you talk up a bag of things and a war are wicked. Alien come in and declare herself. Alien say, yo, from you move to a man and a friend and whatever, the war is on. Alien start put it on upon you. And when you respond and say, ooh, the two of we are size 3, so we don't argue with one another. Move from your son, go. You punk out the thing. You have strength for care. But when alien move to you and whatever, you run from the war now. Go from your son, man.
You have strength for anybody. Go from your son. Me not beg out nothing.
Listen to me. You have wet toilet paper, you can't even iron out. You have wet toilet paper, you can't even iron out. You don't have no come back. You can't even dry out.
Me not wrong with them. Me I wet toilet paper. Yeah, me I wet toilet paper. When the toilet paper wet, it do good job. More than when it dry.
It can't do good job. It crumble up. It can't do good job. It can't do good job.
Tell her, Ilya.
Crumble up.
Tell her.
Crumble up. Me not crumble up. Me not crumble up. Boy. Right. Beg out what?
And say, Ilian rub you out.
Stand tall.
Ilian rub you out. What you need for do?
Rub out too. Ilian
Beg it
can't
out.
rub you. 'Cause
Beg it
Ilian
out.
can't rub
Go
you.
and beg it out with Ilian. Beg it
Beg
out
out
with
what?
Ilian. Beg it out. Because
Get
your
before
dad
this
start
Anna.
beg it out.
Get before this and me not beg out nothing.
Because-
Me not beg out nothing. Me say what me say. Me not take what me talk.
I know when I hear
Me
up.
say what me say.
Okay, and Big Bear, apologize if you want with friendship. Apologize, okay, and Big
Get before
Bear.
make apologize to who?
No
Me
one
not
of the
make
friendship,
apologize
they make
to
it go.
nobody. Nobody me not make apologize to. For what? I make apologize to Big Bear and Kefa. For what? You idiot. Get
That
before this
girl
Anna.
here, that girl here, a cake she a look for true, Raga.
You know, I'm
Raven.
not here. You know, I'm not here because I'm not a cake person.
Raven.
A cake, she
You
a
don't
look
want
man.
no cake. I'm not a
Yeah.
cake
Raga.
person.
Yeah, yeah.
All when
I'm not a
Dr.
cake.
Mac, listen,
Don't stop singing.
all when Dr. Mac call me and say, get and spicy, me our number, I go and block you.
Yeah.
You don't block me. You're free to block me. You're free. Me don't want no cake. I'm not a cake person. So you and Raga can go and sing that the song till eternity. Me good like gold.
Can go on the
Me no
night.
wanna
A cake you look, man. A cake you want icing. Go away from your son, man.
Me don't want to ice. I'm not a sweetie person. I'm not a person who eat a lot of sweet. I'm good.
Sweetie different
But I
from
go and
cake.
sing.
A cake we are talking about, we not talking about sweetie.
I'm saying sweet things. I'm saying, I say sweet. Me don't want to ice in. I me don't want a cake. Me don't want a cake. I me don't want to ice in. So you and Raga can go and sing the
We
song.
not fi put no sugar in your cake. Them are fresh cake.
You think,
I me don't want
you
no
think she,
cake.
you think she like this sweet too? She's so sour.
Well on there. Well on there. All right, well on. I thought Spice stay away there. Ilian stay away there. Kia, you did it done. I did have
Hey.
anything else to say.
I just want to say you guys are so hilarious. I really appreciate each and every one of you, even hot and spicy. Tell her that I love her. I love you, woman. And I know one day you're gonna love me too. You know, it just take time. You're gonna
Alright.
love me as well when you meet. me.
Yeah, she will come
Take care.
round,
Have a
you know.
good night,
Yeah.
everybody.
All right, Kia. Big up yourself.
Yes, man.
All right, then, cool. Big Beer. Any
Big up
part?
yourself, Kay. Love you too.
Big Beer. Any parting words?
To everybody.
Yeah, man. Just big respect to K and you know
Yeah.
no, me deal with you last. Me love Ilian. Me love Ilian. Blessings and love to you always, my
No,
love.
okay, wait. Well,
No, you tell me if you talk, man. Me talking thing, man. Me soon come off. Don't worry yourself.
What? I raise your voice off of me, little boy.
Me never raise my voice, you know, uncle.
Little
Me
boy,
never
I
raise my voice.
raise your voice off of me.
Me never raise my voice, uncle. Me
I
never
raise your
voice.
voice off of me.
No, sir.
Oh.
Shout at you.
Hmm?
Yo, man, shut your mouth, man. Damn, when you frog them. Anyway, Ilian. Blessings to you, my
Ilian,
love.
and that's why me never talk to you. Or the something go to Jamaica. Or you got Ilian sitting under the answer when you call or sitting at or you go. Or the something go Ilian. Or you go to Jamaica again.
With what? Remember me.
One saying like don't speak when you're not speaking
Answer when
to.
you're calling.
Ah,
Don't speak when you spoke to
I
answer when
speak
you call.
when I call. Speaking and spoken, answer when you call.
Yeah. Kind of bother going like you want neatly come going like you want come friend me up right now. We are not friend right now. We are war. Go from here, some man. Yeah.
Me no big friend. Scorpion no big friend. One thing with Scorpion no big friend. Scorpion no big friend. Me sure of that.
See, no, that's
Sure
all right
John
thing.
book read about.
Speak when you're spoken to and answer when you're called.
Answer
Yeah.
when you call.
That's it, yeah.
That's it. Speak when you're spoken to and
Spoken
answer
to and
when
answer
you're
when
called.
you call.
So I know one thing with them, you know, in I chat, you know, them we just, you know, make you know what go on. So hot and spicy, speak when you're spoken to and answer when you're called. You're coming like salt and
Yeah,
water,
so.
every damn thing you know. You're coming like ear.
Mm.
Raga,
Eh?
Pam and Roy in I chat.
Who?
Pam and Roy.
We pop, hold on.
Raga, you're slower.
No, me never hear the name. You
You
know,
never hear it good.
no.
Pam
Pam
and Roy.
and Ryan, me know a woman, but him did in a box to come up in a look. We had seen me think.
Take me down.
No,
Take me down.
no,
Come
me-
Mariah, come up. You take me
No,
down.
me not bring him up. Him not in there. Him not in there.
All right, real quick.
Yeah.
Blessings and love to you, Alien. Uncle, me couldn't make it to the thing Friday night because when I try cut out of work, family member come in a respiratory distress and me couldn't left out. So, you know, think of
Well,
have to stay
that
at
is
work.
understandable. That is
You know,
understandable.
I mean, I left till like all 1 o'clock in the morning. So, you know.
That is okay.
You know,
that is okay.
But, you know, next time, you know, things, you know, we have to go to link up on it.
All right.
Now,
Say a
hot and
word,
spicy.
man. Okay.
Hot and spicy.
I'm listening.
Me and you born the same day. I got just left that coincidence, but look here, you have to humble yourself because that's what me say. Me's a humble man, you know. Me's a big bear, but me's a humble big bear. Me don't know what to you. Me don't know say the fact them I kick up in on you, but look here, just try humble yourself and have a good night, yeah?
Same to you.
All right, cool.
Yeah. Then I she answer so nice and soft.
A man, she a look.
Me nah look man from top man.
When a man just secretly I look alien, neatly I look man
Me
though.
have one like Bordeaux, so no 1 year to finish, so me nah look man.
What? You have one what? You have one what?
Me have man like Bordeaux, so no one to finish, so me nah look man.
So what heap of man you have?
Whole heap of man, but me nah sort them out. One man me a sort out.
But oh you have so you not have them then. Oh if you have whole heap of man and you not sort them.
Some friend them.
You what?
They are my man friend. Me love man company. I don't love woman company.
But I know
You
your
never
man.
say that.
I know-
that you say,
I know,
girl.
you say you have man. You say you have man like
Yeah.
whole heap of man. You only need
I'm
one.
a man friend them. I'm a friend them. Them a man. I'm a friend
you
them.
can put
No.
on friend. You
No.
can put on friend pan it.
Yeah, I fix
The
it
man
and fix
friend
it up. Yeah, at Alien, and I notice I saw her mouth turn cross with all the while and thing and say all kind of thing and turn back. Yeah, yeah.
I told you
lie.
one.
Be a turn back talk, she come with more
And
while
when she want lie, you hear she a twang.
Yeah.
I told you twang, and that may I tell you. I told you
I have
twang.
no time to tell no lie. Me no have no time to tell no lie. Bright. When I tell lie for.
All right,
Eh?
big beer.
Yeah, man, blessings.
Yeah, man, cool.
Cool.
All right. So, hot and spicy. I want you to take the opportunity now for beg back your friendship with Elaine because you this our man and our friend and Elaine moved to you. So, but Elaine is a forgiving woman. So, beg it out back now to Elaine. Beg it out back
They
now.
got what?
Beg it out
They
back
got
to
what?
you know
Yeah,
you want
yeah.
to beg it out. Stop
They
take
got
shoe off,
what?
man. Stop take shoe off, man. Beg it out back.
What you say? What you say they go to what?
Beg it out
As
back.
she said so.
Apologize to
as she
Elaine.
said friendship.
Apologize
As
to
she
Elaine.
said friendship.
Apologize.
Apologize to all.
Raga, Raga,
Yeah.
before my friend her back, me go friend Marcy a good as.
That have nothing to do with me.
So Elaine, make we be clear. She got this your man and your friend and whatever this and that. So right
Yeah,
off. No, right
yeah,
off. All right.
Yeah.
I have nothing to do with me. I make apologize to nobody. Me I will make apologize to all. I'm
No.
I'll have phone that.
No hot and spicy.
I'm a son that call me. Hello? I'm a son that.
You're the cricket.
But that from the tablet, so take no one for that.
See our son a call and yo, woman, your phone a echo. Your phone a woman. Hot and spicy.
Raga the tablet, no go answer, you know. Me go answer a tablet, you know.
Yeah, but it a loop my voice.
Hang up, Raga, hang up.
Take her down.
All right, then cool. Alien, you think our son a call her?
Not a son. You're one of the man
I
them.
want. Yeah. I want to man them. I want to man them a call her. The one from Spanish Town we buy her the sprat over there. She travel all the way from Maryland and go to Spanish Town and make man
Spanish town to
buy
go buy
sprat go
fish.
give her. Make Kimberly man buy sprat go give her.
Yeah, I'm gonna look on the fish where she go buy sprat.
Yeah, nah, but she has the red fresh water. So I weigh fish name because she obviously don't know the name of fish. She name fish I don't know
Red snapper, red snapper.
So the red freshwater fish where she have referred to, a red
Yeah.
snapper.
Mm-hmm.
All right, but she said, I know a black one. What one
The
this?
black one a purge.
Perch, a black fish. Perch not black.
Yeah. Yes, man, the river fish. A
Oh, the
purge
river
it
one.
name.
A purge.
Yeah, the black one. Mhm.
Oh, you have one black fish named Purge.
Yeah, man, purge. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
But that's why she said freshwater, river fish, the Purge.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The river fish.
All
Yeah.
right then. Good. So what you
Raga,
think?
what?
Hmm?
What you say? Go on talk,
No,
man.
I said like she we need for help her because she name fish. I don't know the name of fish,
That may I say she need help.
Yeah, something I go on there. But anyway, what did I say?
Me said to them, may I watch one. You not get one something from me for Father's Day. Me send you something,
Yeah, Elaine, but me I be honest with you. Me say sometimes me get anytime them something I come up, me know how you feel. Me get so many that sometimes I just put on the phone and say me I go respond to them one at a time, and then sometimes me not get back to it and thing, But me see it, man. Me see it coming, man. Enough thanks and
Raga,
blessings.
me not feel no where you're busy, you're on hold. Me not feel no where me send you a message now and the next month you reply. God no.
No, but blessings, man. Thank you so much. Here, for give me little blessings for the Father's Day,
Yeah, man.
All right, seeing.
Raga, today, me I was something with you and the mango. Why you trick me like how you trick me with the Mickey Mouse? So, when you say you go in the store and you buy the mango and look at the mango, buy it, you know, say the store people that me a cuss.
No.
Why you always do your story like that and then you say, me know who buy it? Me say, Jesus Christ, go Raga get me in a trouble.
So you start on it to the store people, them though. No, man, I want my kids them buy. Me know which one, man. Me know which one buy. Me not throw the person on that bus, but me know which one buy it. Me know which one.
Easy, Raga.
So you're Christina post. Christina post and I say she to say look like most people they think say.
Me say Raga and worse you go say and them like them tape it back or them fix it back.
Yeah.
Papa, me say blow one Raga go in a store and a search out the mango.
No, I know
And when he go home, he see it.
No, man, the mango they're good, man. I want to make it. Me know which one, man. I mean, tomorrow me and her. I'm going to say me and her, so they know which one.
Jesus.
Yeah, I see you do it, man. A boss when they come to them something there. I'm going to look at charge him, man. I'm going to look at charge him. I Giddy Boo bite him, mango, man. Giddy Boo was buying the mango. I said, me not like this. I put it back or whatever.
Put it back.
Put it. And then go cover it up and neat, in a fear mind like him not going to notice. You know, when we are do the same thing, when we look a bit too or whatever. My God, man, love her. Raga one daughter, man. She can't get you with the things, them, Yeah, but that Giddy Boo are the food one with the three of them, Yeah, man.
Raga. In love, different from love?
Yeah, according to people, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, because a lot of time women say that to man. Like, I love you, but I'm not in love with you.
In love with you.
That's a way of saying I really care about you. I have a connection with you. You're special, but I don't love you like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it's mostly used by women, you know. See when Dr. Mark run out and go say, yes. She Dr. Mark say, you know, Ilian, you're in love. You're in love, Ilian?
No, something go. No, man, me not in love.
Oh,
And
me-
something go say to you, say, if you know, say, me love you.
yeah.
I'm no want to get it wrong.
Oh, no, man.
That's why I ask you.
No, man, over here, them understand our thing at this point. They know, say, we know, we have our brotherly and sisterly love and thing and whatever. This is Dr. Mark post and say she's in love, then.
With who?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We don't know how we do. You don't know?
No, sir, she not tell me. Because, you know, mash up, me no know if she have somebody else.
No, but she you
All right,
charge
you
it.
same one. Maybe I you same one she in love with.
Baby Lips, Raga in love with you. You see how they mix up Anne-Marie with Raga. You see how they mix up? You see how they love a friggy? You see how they love a friggy, Ilian?
Right now, me not cheer for Dr. Mac. She too stubborn.
You give up now. You give up.
Me give up.
But see, she said only with Raga. Well, she has been consistent, you know. She has been unflinching, you know.
She not give up.
Baby Lips said, I said, I love you. Oh, Baby Lips, I want you to correct it, you know. I said, Dr. Mac, you say, you in love with me. Big up yourself, yeah, Baby Lips. Raga love you too. All right. So wait.
Baby lips look smart if you jealous. No, she the man did I tell you about and she the man love.
Ooh, Baby Lips?
One man what did I run in Panara and I said to you, say, Baby Lips love you. But him did end up love her.
We you talk about? Me no remember what you talk about.
You did tell me one story.
Yeah.
And say, what me think about it? You talk it about a year ago.
Yeah.
Say, one man come to you, one of your little friend in our chat, come to you and say, Raga, you know, sister Baby Lips like you. And a good thing say you never say nothing. Him did like Baby Lips. You know, remember that story there?
Yes. You see, Tal say last year it happened, remember?
All right. Me not
Well on, Ilian. Well on. J Berg in the chat and she said, Raga, tell Ilian hi for me. So J Berg in her chat and she said,
hi, my baby.
all right, then. Oh, see, Daniel said it was Starboy. Yeah. No, you're right.
Yes.
You're right. You're right.
Yes.
You're right.
Yes.
You're right.
Yes.
You're right.
Yes.
You're right.
And one more thing again, Raga. The lady was pass on Miss, what's her name?
Miss Merle, yeah.
Condolence to her family, right?
Yeah.
And me don't know if you did tell the story right about the clothes. She never hide some of your clothes, them, the regular one, them.
She was trying to get me to wear some of my other clothes, them, you know.
Oh, me think so she did hide it.
No,
regular one then.
No, she not do that, but she did kind of put the one them I have in the back of her closet. She bring them the upper front and put the regular one them down and whatever. Yeah, for me, because you know it did a bad her, you know. It did a bad her. If you say me have all these clothes and now wear them and thing and whatever.
Yeah, wear some.
What on the Alien? Platinum buff, but Raga now remember nothing, you know. Remember your name though. Remember your name though. Your name unforgettable because you have the platinum buff though. That me not forget. That me not forget here. So big up your platinum buff. Okay. Me now if somebody say Raga, you know say somebody in the chat like the name platinum buff. Me must say, yeah, man, remember that name there. Cause we not forget them things there, right? I want to the million.
You see, me and Java not really forget things, but me that first and Java that second because Java did content like for me about me near burn up my pum pum. And when you get to the nitty gritty, it was me.
Oh, Java did come say, you say near, you use near and it burn up your pum pum?
Near, yes,
that
and I
Java
did
did say?
somebody else. Yes, and she a convinced me in the box. Yes, Elena, you are ya. Me I said,
And I
no,
never
Java,
you,
it
right,
wasn't
right.
me.
No. Yeah, I'm surprised about that, you know, because me not lie, you know, when it come to Christina and Java, me I tell you, man, and you, but you know, but Christina, Java no missing, you know, man. Java, we all tell you date and time and everything, you know, what happened before and what happened after, you know. So, you know, yeah, that day that she did miss. That day that she did miss. Java did miss that day there. Java did miss that day there. And yeah, I end up a tell lie on your front. I true Java, remember that because no, hold on do a alien. Hold on do a alien. Hold on. Remember, you did say something about near doing, you know, where you never know, say near. You remember you did give one, you did in a one near
Yes,
mix up, you
me
know.
give a near mix up, but it was my front the near burn up, and I think the week after you did say somebody from country.
Oh, so you did give a near mix up where you never know, say
Yes.
so and so. But Java will confuse your near mix up with the other person near mix up where for them near they burn up for them front because the near never burn up your front.
Yes.
Right. In fact, me don't know of
but-
any time when your front did ever get burn up.
No,
Your
me
front never-
only never know about near.
You never know about near and thing.
And me see hear them just disappear off my front.
What you mean? I forgot the mix up, you know. Oh, it did go. Wow.
Remember, sir, one man?
Yeah. Oh,
one
yes.
man.
Yeah.
I him put the near on my front.
Yeah.
And when me look in space,
A second.
less than 3 minutes
Yeah.
or so.
Yeah.
Everything ball like me and me go.
John, you near the bad man for true, man. Yeah.
Every ear disappear.
Yeah. But you know, that is a sexy thing for men and women to do. Like if a man shave a woman and them something or whatever. You know. It's a very, that's a sexy thing to do, man. Yeah.
One time in a raga, you know, say one man in here and you know, is a young girl tell me, say, him eat. Now make him tell you nothing, say him not eat, him eat. And me a pressure him, because true she say him eat and so me want know for myself. And he say not eat and this and that. And one bag of thing, and one day me and him they pan a move, man. And me always have one little scissors. You know them little scissors?
Yeah, the little cute one.
Yeah. And you know, me tell him to clip off the ear because me just want him to look down there. You know, so the man clip me on my pum pum tongue. Raga he coming like no soap can't touch this, so it burn
exactly.
like a pepper.
Yeah. And dangerous something that man that at God. Jano. Sorry. Oh, and for those of you who are not Jamaicans, Jamaicans refer to that area as a tongue. It's what you call, how you pronounce that word, people? Is it labia or labia or whatever? But it's Labia. Is that Jamaican referred to as a tongue for obvious reason in terms of, you know, for some women it kind of peep out and them say that is a tongue. So sometimes some non-Jamaican, you see it, somebody I get it wrong. Melody you rich and BYTH and yeah put CLIT. That is not what Jamaican refer to as a tongue. Right? It's not what Jamaican refer to as the tongue. You know, say a whole heap of people get that wrong.
The tongue a little pointed something.
And that you a call the tongue?
Yes.
The clitoris?
No, Raga.
Oh. What you call a little pointed something?
It's Raga, me no know if we explain it. The little something there, what they saw.
A peep out.
Yeah.
Right. Well, me and you on the same page then. Yeah, right.
Mm-hmm.
What Bonzi and I see she wrong. What a rat. You gonna tell the woman that she wrong when she talk about her own front. You brighty.
Oh, she means I'm wrong.
Me don't know how you for wrong, but you know when you are calling tongue pan here or something, dog. What she mean boy you're wrong? Right? People, Latisha says she laugh. Alright. People, alright, look on this now. Watch, right? You see me comes up? Right? So you know, if for some woman, you're not see nothing. But for some woman, or even if you're not dead, when them turn on, it come on. That is what Jamaican call the tongue.
The tongue.
In general. And if you really think about it, you know, remember say the tongue in your mouth. So the labia, however you want to do it, it's not the man in the boat, it's not the clitoris that Jamaica refer to as a tongue. But I guess some, watch it, Craig Tanima put man in the boat, The man in the boat, Jamaicans refer to, that is the clitoris, right? Yeah. But I guess for some people, that to refer to, no, as a tongue. But again, say Jay Berg put it good there. Inner lips. And you get it, tongue, right? So if you really think about it, you know, this is your tongue, right? So the idea is that, so the tongue is between, if you turn it side, the two jaw. In fact, Jamaicans call the two side them the jaw, right?
Jaw,
yeah. Right? Jamaicans actually call that the jaw too. So if Jamaicans say that's the pony jaw, you know, the pony jaw. So if the two jaw them they so, then the tongue in the middle between the two jaw them.
Right? Yes, so.
If you don't understand it, you know. Growing Wileen, he says, the first time hearing this description. No, man, a long time, some Jamaicans always refer to like old school, something doing, you know, old school, you know, right? Because Jamaicans, when you grew up, we don't hear nothing about no labia or no labia or whatever, and we don't use them word. But for a lot of women, that area is peeping out in different ways. If you don't understand what I say, whatever is called the labia or whatever, for a lot of women, that area is whatever. So if Jamaican call it two side the P-U-S-S-Y jaw, then the tongue not in between the two jaw them, right? So all I want to who lacking pan Jamaicans not confused. In general, Jamaicans don't confuse the clitoris with what them call the pony tongue.
No.
When Jamaicans talk about clitoris, they know that. Or them say the man in the boat. You know, or whatever. They're not synonymous in Jamaican language. You know, they're different. So if you really think about it, you know, you see where the tongue there in terms of it being analogous to where the actual tongue is in our mouth. You understand? So that see what labia majora, labia minora. Exactly, two of them. For some women, every woman it's different. Every woman is different. No two women is the same, right? And for a lot of women, even at its resting state, you're still seeing it. And for a lot of women, even if you're not see it, once them turn on, it come out. And so that is the idea in terms of the tongue come up or between the two jaw them and things like that, you know? Which is different from what is above that, which you know what that is, the man in the book. And then it's a bit of a class here and thing, just for a point of clarification. I think. Okay. So weird. So what you say after I'm cutting with the scissors and sitting and whatever, like a problem, nothing you couldn't go on with nothing after that. Wait, Alien, it look like Alien. Alien, you accidentally touch your mute. Take off your mute after your Alien. You mute your white name there, you know. So just when you mute, you can still hear me. All right, so just press the little thing down there so that the audio come on back. People, Alien, we don't see it. I bet the Alien did they try to figure out how to bring it on, man. Alien now go too new for unmute. Yeah, you're back. All right, cool. What did happen? You accidentally mute yourself?
Me download the Bible thing, right?
Yeah.
The Bible.
Yeah.
And every minute it a show a notification and me go touch take off his something and then bang around gone pan the phone.
Oh, no man, when you don't know them something, them man, right away them want give you notification. You just tell them no. Cause them will make your phone fart, man. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. And things, see. So when I say when the scissors cut you right there, so it cut bad and bleed and all them something there and problem.
I pinch me.
Oh, right.
And that I artist thing, you never cut for bleed, you just as it touch me go so woo!
Yeah, because that might be the most sensitive area upon a woman body, you know, in terms of just
Me tell him say him have to go suck pan it now to cool it down.
and when you say
Him do it.
I can. I don't know.
Cause you know when you get a cut more time, then we say put your finger in your mouth, put your finger in your mouth, you know?
Yeah.
Cool it down, yeah.
well,
So me use that pan him say him have to go cool it down.
And then cool it down, see it there.
But you never cool down all days after Raga me have to, me can't make it soap, catch it too long, you understand?
Wait, one second.
Burn like pepper.
Growing while healing. You seem to be new over here. Me see a post PG-13. You know, we're a little risky over here. We're edgy, not graphic and raw, but this is, you know, not unusual here. That's the language. So, you know, people kind of view. See, Kenisha says she knew too. Libra
But
Queen.
she not go on her bed. Go on your bed, man. A big people time now. Who you? You no just come over here, come fi fast and talk, no crap.
In here, take time with the people, man. They don't use to show.
Nah, take time, them too enough, Raga.
They know.
Them fi understand themselves, then come at the gate. And them a peep, they not just peep. If they not like it, then go on.
All right, yeah. When you say if them come and them peep and they hear what go on, and then can't manage it, them move. You know, but
them go on, move along, go to another gate, a whole heap of gate upon the app.
Well, that is true.
I'll go read your Bible.
True.
Sure. Me no want them come over here, come text facts.
Come what?
Come text facts.
Come text for okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we have to kind of keep it balanced with them, you know, that's true, you know. All right, my friend, big up yourself, yeah. Man. Yeah, all right, that's your word, man. Cool.
Love you, TamFam.
Man thing. And Raga loves you too, Elaine. All right, big up yourself.
Love you more. A dirty Valerie sent him, you know.
Oh, it's not a him, it was a her.
Well, a dirty Valerie sent her.
A Valerie sent her, though.
A Valerie I get all of the nasty blame them.
Yeah, I beat Valerie straight. No turning back. See?
No turning back.
All right,
Good
boo
night,
boo.
Pomeroy.
Yeah. Yeah, him been want to come up, you know. Say him want to come up and whatever this and that, you know. Me not bring him
Make
up.
Pomeroy, when me come down, you come up, come talk. You think me and you not talk until you identify yourself.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Till him come clean, right?
Yes.
All right.
All right, later.
All right, boo boo. Love and blessings, man. Cool.
Cool.
One alien, you know. So the thing said. All right, people, all I want to follow me yet, just follow me now. If you're over here TikTok and you not follow me yet, follow me now. If you watch over YouTube and you not follow me yet, follow me now. If you watch over YouTube and you not follow me yet, follow me now. Let me make sure. If you people may write down whistle. Okay, 1 second. All right. Let me just okay. This thing. You know, you see what caused the problem. All right, I need a new keyboard. That's it. I need a new keyboard. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna like that one here, see, man. I'm gonna get back one just like it. Cause it when I use it, my uncomfortable. You see what I say? So I work with that one here. Yeah. All right. I get one just like it. All right, come now. Boom. Nice. Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, man. I'm gonna come back over here, so now. So, and if you're over YouTube, yeah, the ergonomic thing, but like that's something, you know, when your hand just rests here, so to me can't type fast and thing and whatever. That worked for me, you know. So, me have that little thing there, yeah. I love that little comfort thing there with it, you know. Work for me, all right. Yeah, man, and if you're over YouTube and you know, follow me now. Dr. Mark, big up yourself, you know. All right. I don't know, you know. Yeah, I'm a charge. Yeah, what go on right now.
Good night, TamFamers. Good night.
Your voice sound relaxed, man.
I have to be relaxed. I'm getting something to make me relax.
Yeah, get something to make you relax. What? Yeah, live that life.
Absolutely.
Yeah, get something. Okay,
Yeah.
talk up well at least, you know.
So
You
I'm
know,
just calling to find out why you still stuck on me, because you find a new British. Why don't you move on? Everything Dr. Mac this, Dr. Mac that, Dr. Mac the other. Don't call my name. Good night, Nika, yo. What's the problem? Why you keep calling my name? If you got a good thing going on over there for you, stay over there. Don't be calling up my name. First comment, you came out here, right? And you disrespect me publicly. You cheated on me publicly. And then when I said something about changing the code, I didn't say change the lock, you know. I said change the code. You got mad, and then you run to something new. What about the times that we had, all that good times? You just throw away that for something new? You don't even know these people. I know the deepest, darkest part of you. And then you just switch up everything. At night when we lay down, when the show is finished and I lay down there, I make you tea, I rub your feet, I do all this stuff for you. And then now all of a sudden you got something, you just toss me to the side like I'm no nothing. One thing for sure, two things for certain. I love you to death, but I'm not keeping a pity party over here. I am not, absolutely not. You wanna go, go. I never beg you to stay. I miss everything that we had, but you know, I could live in memories. And I can love you from a distance, but I still love you. No matter what, I still love you.
You don't talk?
I couldn't let you piggyback on me. I could let you talk.
You what?
I can let you piggyback on me. I let you talk.
You're going to let me piggyback on you.
I could if I want to.
First of all, you can't manage me if you even make me piggyback on you. You can't give me Jackie right.
Raga,
You
please
can't
don't
give me
go there.
Jackie right. You're not trunk, so
No,
right?
I can't.
Any lifting up a go on, you know, say me always lift you up. You can't lift me up.
Absolutely,
I
you
mean
sure
lift you up
did.
and bounce you upon it, don't it? And flip you to
All
and
the
bounce you
time.
front you and turn you
All the
around.
time.
And carry you, make your face all the mirror and bounce you upon it and make your seat. And lift up your two leg them and hold them up on your ears and bounce you upon it in front. Now, me you do that. All right, so balance your thing and more piggyback, all right? Next thing, right? When they didn't make the talk and whatever, them time the kid did a drop lyrics. Me and kid never in a nothing them time there. Kid did just a drop beer lyrics them time there. Me and kid never in a nothing. And I tell you say Kia run the thing right now, Kia full of lyrics and whatever. And I saw you run out and start chop beer fart and thing because you make idiot hot and spicy in your ears. Right, a press button you and thing. You never strong. You never strong. You're weak. You're weak.
No girl
Because you make other woman in your
No
ears
girl
a
can't
press
tell me
button
about
you.
my man.
You make
A
other
joke
woman
you
in your
make.
ears a
No
press
girl
button you.
can't tell
And
me
you
what to
come
do with
out.
my man. No
Right.
girl.
And before you come
Trust
talk
me.
to me one of we and say, you know, say, come here, let me talk to you one of we and thing. What go on with so and so. You come out here, so, and I talk about you go lock door and change lock and whatever and a hype. And then when man put on them foot, you want to come flip around the thing and whatever. You think say we are idiot in this. Behave yourself and humble yourself. What you need to do is apologize to me because you disrespect me.
But what you wanted me to do if you over here bragging a new woman?
What? I will Kia come here and Kia drop Kia lyrics and thing and whatever, and then you start move to Kia and whatever. And Kia lyrics them did a take. Me not lie. And everybody knows that Kia lyrics them did jiggy and nice and whatever. And at that time when me start to I say, yo, Kia lyrics them turn up in me like Kia and whatever. I saw you run out and come and talk about this and that. So I never born you, right?
So what about
you hear lyrics from other woman and you one of them woman they gonna make it dry you out and then you go
Absolutely
overreact.
Not. No, that's not the lyrics, the way you was acting.
That is like if me go say a man a draw for you and go say rate and this and that and then me go start worry because another man like you. You look good woman, other man are gonna like you. Me a big man, me secure. Right? So if a man come and say, yo, your woman look good in a me and say, yes, she look good, yes, and rate that not bother me. You shouldn't make it bother me. You shouldn't make it bother you when Kia come out and I drop our lyrics or whatever.
It's not the lyrics that K drop is you run with it.
No, that me tell you, say idiot
you
thing
run
you
with
do.
it, but not even that. You said you was gonna go to the Bronx to meet her.
Idiot thing, you idiot. When me say that after you diss me, don't even try to go around the thing and go. Me say that after you diss me.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, man.
You can't come here so come tell me about your
Friday off. You're lucky I couldn't get Friday off because if I had gotten Friday off, it would be really red. When the place then where you go, it would really have full coat or a red coat for both of you. You hear me?
But you could have well and get Friday off. Afraid,
no,
you're
afraid. I couldn't.
You're afraid of Kia. You're afraid of Kia.
Never afraid. Me never afraid. Me never afraid.
True Kia just calm and whatever. And that's what I talk about lucky we get Friday off.
See, come from England. I'm a back to them.
See, you're going back.
You couldn't manage me.
You see, you're going back in some high school bullshit. You understand? Me and you talk. You're a big woman now. Stop your foolishness about lucky. You never listen and that. If you want to come reason upon my level right now. Don't come to me in the high school thing. When you talk to me like a woman right now, see? All right. You never did wrong for go say them something about the door. Yes or no?
I don't think I did.
Let me ask you again. When you come out and you go style me them way and say, rate about the doorway, even if you say you are going to do it and you never do it, you never did wrong for do that.
Absolutely not.
Hold on. This is a pivotal moment. And yes, it is a moment of accountability. And it's an opportunity for you to give me some suggestion or some indication that you at least have some sort of understanding about the impact you had on my feelings when you made the statements that you made. So let me see if you're going to seize the opportunity right now and at least say something reasonable. Yes or no? You never did wrong for
both of our feelings were hurt.
No, may I ask you about my feelings now. May I ask you first about my feelings? Let me see if you can say something now. You never did wrong for what you say in terms of how that's what impact that I gonna have on me. Yes, I know.
I rest my case.
All right. So we're good.
All right?
Yeah.
Good. See over there, so me over here, so you over there, so.
Yeah.
You over there, so.
Then that me I say long time. You just say
You
when me I
deserve
say
not
long
each
time.
other.
Right?
You deserve
You
not
see,
each
you
other.
don't even, you can't even say that. You understand what I say? I'm not there with them woman there who can't even say, you know, some could have phrased that better and thing. What you think me I gonna run you down for you say what you say? We not do that. A big man thing right just so now. So we not run down no woman for say. So you not have it in here. You never have it in here for sing the two line them. And you not have it in here for say, you know, say big and serious.
What me they have it in me for other things though? What me they have it
Yeah, you
in
see it,
me
you're
they have
going
it in
back,
me for
you
other things
distract.
though.
You talk to Raga, you can't distract and carry me going away. We are focused on thing. And you
We're not
just,
going anywhere.
you
We're
just say
talking
what you
about you and
say.
I.
Yes, you
I'm
just say what
talking
you
about
say.
you and I.
You say you can't do it. And then me not no problem with that. You
Me
say you
not kiss
can't
him,
do it.
me not kiss him for known it. Me not kiss him for
Nah,
known
me
it.
say you can't do it. So that's the
Latisha,
argument
Latisha, me
done.
not jealous.
Eh?
Argument done, we good, we scored. Don't worry,
Yeah,
keep your new broom. Me have one new broom over here, so I sweep me clean too. What
yeah.
you say?
That's fine. I'm happy for you.
Good, good.
Yeah. I can still can call your name anytime I want to call your name.
I know me alone name Dr. Mac. What for doctor in the place? What for doctor and me attack?
You still come with idiot argument, you know. Who else named Dr. Mac over here? That don't even take away what you say a while ago. Come now, come with some solid argument, man. If you make it thing interesting and thing, come with some solid.
Raga, you know the impact I left on you, so you will always be calling my name. You know the impact I left on you, especially when you lie on your back with your arms behind you. You know the impact I left on you, so you will always be calling my name.
No,
until that those parts.
So you think say you're good like that for real?
No, I not think I'm good. I know I'm good, Raga. Remember, say when me the on top of you are telling things them to me. Remember, Raga, you are telling things them to me. Remember, you if me never good, I took all of me there. I know yesterday and not
but
today.
oh, you know, me never speak in tongues. I beg God for make it done because
No
it wasn't that good. It wasn't that good.
I understand every unspoken language.
Well on,
Raga,
Dr. Mac.
remember
No, Dr. Mac. You're a big man and you've been in relationship and thing. Have you always been like this? Like if in a relationship you argue with man and just not give in. I saw you juggle.
Yes, Mr. Aquarius. And if me like you, you get a little more blind with me. Yeah. If me like you, you get a little more blind with me.
Yeah. God, this shit is funny.
But me love you regardless. No watch no face. Care. Even them say you're the whatever you be. Trust me, me a Raga now because guess what? Before you know it, Raga will be right back on the Southern State Parkway coming home. And it's the part of the bed where you sleep on. Me don't sleep on it at night time. Me don't sleep. Me just leave the Bible right there upon your side coming. So you must come home.
What do you mean must come home?
You must come home. Now worry yourself, Raga. You can't left this.
Nah,
this
but
of the LLC. Remember me have the LLC sort out.
You have the what?
The LLC sort out.
What LLC? My hand me glass scratch me, see me and get money, you know.
See that I come. Me go give it to you. Me go give you the money. Make you come back home. Scratch you come back.
We have Barry Snap one song we talk about come. No, I'm not Barry sing that. Come home.
Come back home.
Come back. Yeah.
Yes,
who sing the one that said, baby, come home. Something like that. I will sing that one there again.
I know that one.
I'm really sing melody.
But no, watch no fear still, baby. You know you're always gonna be my baby. Always. No matter what K give you. Not enough $40.
You say me not begin a $40. Hey God, y'all are so much fun, man. I'm telling you,
come here, so nice.
You see it, how you said joy. But Dr. Mac, you know, it's a people, because TikTok always are bringing people, you know. And I bet it's a people come in and don't know what going on and think a serious thing are going over here, you know.
I know I get some messages, but I don't pay them no mind.
Yeah, a couple times me get me get little lectures and thing and whatever
Yeah.
about through internet. Why you talk to this person like that and you don't so and when we did that joke, and them not knowing them, I don't pay them no mind, because
Tal, listen, Tal. And it's not a matter of lose or for me. Now, remember, this is my man. I can't just let him go, so I don't know nobody else.
wait, what Tala say? She said that.
She said she lose off for me.
She lose
I
her for
can't do
you.
no better, my man. I can't just give up my relationships of a new lady. But look how far she died. When she give Raga a little piece last
What she
Friday.
say?
When she get a little piece, we
Well,
get a little
well,
piece
and
Friday. When she come back to England, what gonna happen?
No, well, and you were talking to Ross, Dr. Mac, I can't believe you're by man. Me lose. You see what me I tell you about this?
I'm not buying me, I buy my man.
Hold on. You see what me I tell you about the woman them? You see what me I tell you about woman who are encouraged? Them just coming like, you see how she, pies and that, right?
Well, if he wasn't mine at least.
She not said nothing to you, to encourage the bill back or nothing, But you see how she in
I know they want to break up a
I
happy
can't
home.
believe you. But lose her for you and whatever this and that. I mean, I tell you, say, anytime you hear a woman attack to another woman, is 1 out of 3 position them in. Them either them even have no man, or them either can't keep a man, or them have a man and them life sad bad. Right?
So Veronica say, hold on to what you got. That's exactly what I have to do.
Right.
I can't go to nobody else. Me don't want nobody else.
That's why you hear she say, why should I encourage disrespect? I could never. Trust me. You see she? A whole heap of disrespect, she get in a fair relationship and she not left it. And she don't left it. And she not leffing it. And whatever.
Yeah.
But them self-righteous when them a chat to other people about them thing and whatever. And if you hear what going through in a film life and all them thing. That's why every day she over California, get up on a road.
Melody Irish, me like that. Look rough up for Guam. Melody Irish, the look rough up for Guam. If I get look rough up, me not go like
Dr.
that.
Dr. Mac, Tal,
Yeah.
let you run out at daytime and go run with the mountain lion them over there in California and whatever this and have a soul. You understand?
Not a soul.
So
Not
we're
a soul. When night.
So Raga are them want your man. Some woman tell you to leave your man cause them jealous.
Exactly.
No,
Them
not only that.
Not true, Veronica.
Misery love company. You have woman who because them not happy and not stable in them thing and whatever. Them encourage people other woman for left them man for come join them in them crosses. Right? Tell nobody. Right?
Tal, Raga have one pop, but after the one pop, other things are being done. Penetration is not all. Penetration is not all. The cuddling is important. The communication is important.
Okay.
A little touch here is important. A little blow on his ears is important. A little streak with the feather is important. We don't have to do sex all the time.
No, I'm glad you explain that part there, because you see when you go
sex
say,
is not all that.
yeah, penetration and them
Not
do other
penetration
things.
is not all
You know
that.
when
We do
people
other
like
things.
Talgan with that, no,
Let
with
them
a
go on
stay
with it.
bad self.
I'm down on my bending. You have a voice to man sing, I'm down on my bending knees. Other things can go on.
You understand? You see it?
Yeah.
Make them loud, because I care reward them now know what business and what you want what we do. Yeah, come here, hold it for you and you hold it for me, though.
Right, that's so. Nobody trying to see a war.
Yeah.
I come and go, you couldn't moon. No, I'm not couldn't moon. I'm a man. I mean, I want nobody else. I'm a juju. I don't want nobody else. I got run up in a this.
See it there.
Me not sure yet. So me not close the door. Me not nothing out there better than him right now. Trust me, you know farm I come from. But they would rather for him and wear one pendy in a marina and him have the rasta belt in him pants pocket and the curtain
Yeah.
and the shoes lean for them foot. And today we are come.
Make them know.
Yeah. And today we are come.
See
Starting
what?
and rice,
See
good fire, and black
see
sugar and
one
water,
time
no lime.
I call you made your banana head.
That's okay,
One
don't worry
whole
yourself.
bunch of banana, 8
And a
and a
banana she buy a
banana.
green plant.
Banana head and thing and
Green
whatever,
planting.
full of the most chatter and thing and whatever. You understand? No pay at all, no mind and whatever, you understand? I bet you over there California buy body regularly. I pay down pan body. Tell you have to pay down pan body.
Over NC, she go over NC on California.
Yeah.
Over NC, that's the ghetto area.
Yeah, can't even get a look fix up if she not pay the body mortgage. You have to pay about the mortgage to get look at
1 hour shirt, right? It's a verbal expression.
And Dr. Mac
1
not have
hour
to pay
shirt.
nothing to forget what she want,
Not have to
because
pay
girl
nothing to forget
good
what
like
want.
that. She not have to run and fight because it comes to her,
Right,
unlike
that's
you.
so.
All right.
Hello.
You right about watch him boy Yakos of a community body.
That's okay. It's sweet. It's sweet.
Hey, God, you know, someone don't write it over here, though. I don't write it at all, you know. All right. Okay. Proper set on, man. All right, my charge. You don't worry yourself, you know, because I don't make nobody do you nothing on the road or thing or whatever.
Absolutely not. I'm Marcia.
Mm.
Raga, wait,
Eh?
but by the way, you know, so I have up Marcia and what the other one named Hershey Pie.
Why?
Marcia lay down and put her head by your shoulder to spite me. What me did ever could I guess we come a jar, that'd be something. But me not war, you know, man. Me not war.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
want you know what me
You mean when me take a picture with Marcia good as an Hershey pie down in Atlanta?
No, the one with Marcia, especially when she put her head by your shoulder, she do it on purpose.
Oh,
Me not war,
yeah, she was very, she was
but
very,
you know what?
yeah.
No, you know what? I'm not gonna take that back. Marcia, I forgive you because I forget you're going through a little thing. So I'm gonna take that back. I'm gonna give you one pass now. Next time, it's gonna be something different.
So, oh, Hershey pie drop in now.
Hershey Pie, she alright. She did just take the picture still, but me have to watch her because you never know. Them have a little sneaky link. Run up on people, man. But I'm a little charges still. But Marcia now, she went in. Good night, Mas Raga. Oh.
All right, darling, dear, right. All right.
Raga, tell the people them. Tell them. Make care know to tell them. Talk now.
Tell them so what?
You know, talk.
Tell them so what? Me and you still good?
No, I know that I want you. I want you the other one.
No, you said first.
Well, everybody know.
But you know, you sound like a little girl. You know, you sound girly a while ago. No, come on.
Oh,
You said first.
I love you, Raga.
And I love you
To
too.
the moon
boo-boo.
and back.
All right, and I love you too, boo-boo. All right, okay. And don't worry yourself. All right, yeah. And we look at war and thing, but we're good again, yeah,
Yes.
man. I mean, that for us whole hard in pan you know, all right?
All right.
All right, then, cool.
And I couldn't make it on Friday for real. I couldn't get a chance to call to get someone to switch on because graduation is upon me, prom is upon me, and all kind of stuff I got going on.
Yeah,
and job.
it was awesome. You know, just a nice positive energy and people have fun. And
I like that.
yeah, the food was good and you know, people just come out. And you know, TamFamers we know for behave with each other and have and maintain a certain respect and across certain line, but at the same time we can just get informal and you know, Marsha, Fox, Pat and Pretty One Queen. They did a tour and thing and whatever. Antasha, Mama Ants and Papa Ants, and thing, Craigton and Tip, and it was just really fun, you know.
I miss it.
And
But next time, maybe the one,
of course.
maybe the one in Brooklyn or the one in Queens. I can.
This is
probably
what
be able
this
to
is.
make
You
it.
see where you see
I
where
saw it, darling.
you see where Sinalicious
saw
get
it.
for me done. All right.
Yeah, I saw it.
And when she give me just want you know, she did say, don't get Dr. Mac any of this. This is the only.
No, because you know what? It's
She
fine.
said the
Only that's
only
my
thing I
favorite
ask
drink.
is she said when you drink, nobody give Dr. Mac any. Sinalicious said that to me and whatever. But
No, because
if you want,
if
you
I can't
get
get the
because
Baileys,
from
I
you
can
want.
get something else.
No, eh?
If I don't want the Baileys, can I get something else?
Oh, most definitely. Just say what you
Oh,
want and I
thank you,
got you.
darling.
Man.
Absolutely. honey.
Say what you want and I got you. You know that.
The
man,
egg,
all right?
just only the eggplant, darling. Just the
Don't
eggplant.
worry
That's
yourself,
it.
man. All right.
All right.
You have your
Yeah.
signature on it, man. Your thing lock and see. And when I cuss you, know, I got hide and do it, see man. You know, it go
Thank you
down.
very much. As long as when you come, me come. Before we come.
That's why we come. Come for come, no?
Come for come.
Yeah.
Hi. But that thing that Sina did, it was very creative. It's different. It's really different.
Yes.
Trust me, it's really different.
She go in with a bag or something.
Yeah, the back
Right.
is nice.
Yeah.
It's
A
very
Mixup
creative.
and Blenda time. TamFam, Big
Man.
Yard, Laugh, Learn and Grow. Out of the radio. Come for listen. Listen for come.
For come.
Right? A we say thick skin and broadback. ANC versus SDC. TamFam, right? Nutrition facts. Serving size, meet and greet. Then you have laughter, learn, grow. family Caribbean 100% each and thing, you understand? And then the ugly man on the front, and Ragashanti, TamFam, New York, meet and greet and whatever.
Raga,
Yeah.
Marcia said me yeah, body begging. Marcia,
What?
if you never beg a body in your life, you start out no good. Marcia, if you never beg for your body in your life, you start out no good. Trust me. You have to, everybody beg for your body and a pony.
No, and I
Everybody
just
beg for
because
body
you,
and pony.
you say what you say about the picture, you know. But if you tell you at night time when she squeeze up
No,
pillar between her
Raga,
leg.
no, don't talk. Because remember she got to a little thing. No, ease up far.
My ask her what
Ease
dear.
up far.
Miss me ask her
The
what
era,
listen to me.
she say yes.
You hear when I ask her, me say,
Yeah,
me know you
yeah.
got your thing, me can start beat you again. And she say, yeah. So me get the green light and things. So they no, she can't beat you. If she beat you, then she beat you. Me have
Marcia,
to step in
trust
and
me.
defend you.
Any woman over here was say they not beg for body, them a liar.
Eh?
Any woman over here was say they not beg for body, them a liar. Every woman have to beg for body. If I even one time,
If I
even
even
if you
one
not beg it
time,
directly, you beg it indirectly. What you say?
and the only time
When
woman no
food
beg for body
good,
and when the body no good.
Right, that's all. Sometimes when it Raga, sometimes when it not good, them beg feet and sit down pan it and just rub the clip pan it and come. What you say?
Really?
What you say, Raga? Me straight get a
No,
girl,
I
me know
can't.
them thing there now.
No. I don't
Me
say
say,
woman do. No woman now go big for no pop down body.
Raga,
What?
listen to me. When the money good and your hood brought down, and them see one next man a draw towards them, look man, them beg for the body and go sit down pan it and rub the
We
clip
say
pan it and
when
come.
the
What you
money
say?
good, when the money good, but the body
and the
broke
body
down,
no
but
good.
a
Yes.
next woman a draw for the man and whatever, them
Yeah.
okay.
Run
Right.
in.
So,
Yeah.
yes.
No make nobody fool you.
Right. Well,
No make nobody fool you.
like
Hear
Tal,
so
me
many
can't see
stories. I
Tal,
see
me
so
can't
many
see Tal
stories.
a big for
What you
like,
say?
me can't see Tal a big for like a pop down body or whatever. That's her though, you know, fear thing that.
Yeah, fear thing that.
But outside of that, I mean, women, we're sorry for your pop down body.
Them
Me
will
no
say
say
them
them a
not
big
beg
feet.
feet. Raga, let me
Eh?
tell you something, you see. Don't trust nobody when door closed. You hear me tell you that a woman
That
when
are
name.
true. That are true.
All right.
That are true.
I get to me raise up my born and grew up and I know the story them and I see them all the time.
Yeah,
Them
that
come
are
out and
true.
blast the man, but when the man turn him back, remember me tell you a different story.
That's true.
You know, get the sweetest ghetto the sweetest ghetto lesson them I don't Anek, I don't know Lizard Town and Tivoli.
That's true.
What do I say?
That's
I will,
true.
listen, remember I know you go to a Pernell Charles Arcade, they got a back mark, you can hear all the
You
story.
hear
them.
all like
Who the
something
boy them don't want him?
Yeah.
And when night come, guess what? Who driving on the BMW?
Yeah, that's
You know, see
true.
Miss Lady and Mr. Sir. And then tomorrow when you go down a town here, then they don't say so-and-so never want so-and-so. They know, man, I lie. You go up a house and you got jammings all about the place and the man, you say the boss, the man, body now. What you say?
You know, so up to what day that something like that come up and I be sweet blind shit the man and so on. So me tell her, I say, you know, you feel now you're still, you know, but you know, say people see animal over Brooklyn now. From a certain place of 90s. And people see you up there so and whatever. Here she pause now, you know, that's the dead giveaway. She go pause first or whatever. So she pause, you know, I work out what she say and I chat about. Yeah, I something did go pick up from him.
Yeah, really pick up.
One night after 2 in the morning, he go pick up something. Yeah.
Yeah, Marcia link me.
What she say she had to come to New York
She
next
come to
week?
New York. Yeah, maybe she come with her entourage to beat me up if I watch my back.
No, she not coming on to
You don't know that?
No, man, here where I go on now. Let me tell you something. Remember me telling you, you know, you have some woman, you know, as a man, me I tell you have woman have airport front, you know, flight front, you know, right? You have woman who have front where the front so good, you have to fly for that, you know, right? Or you have to send them ticket for them flying, you know, whatever. You understand what I say? And then, no, you have some woman, them buy them one a ticket.
Yes,
She buy Fiat one a ticket, you know. A body, a hunch, a body, a come on New York.
Abuja show, she come. Abuja show.
A body, she a hunt. She's a body hunter. A hunch, a
Me know, but she come
buy
Abuja
a one
show.
a ticket and thing and come up here and thing and run down body and thing. And that she a come up
Oh,
here.
Louis. Oh. I got the other one there. I got the butcher store. Raga.
Yeah, got the Buju and Stephen Marley. So.
Yeah, you can buy. You want me to go, darling, or you want me and you and Kate to go?
No, we can go. We can go together, whatever.
All right,
you
darling,
respect
don't
lock
you
and
worry.
seal, you know. So the three we can go. I don't know, whatever. Cause You know, Kay can't to go on with nothing if you go disrespect you. But Kay don't tell us that she not disrespect you already, so we don't have to worry about that, you know, so. And thing and whatever. But if we go, we have to go look out and make sure, say, if Master Good has not there and thing and whatever. So if we go there and thing and we're there and Master Good has come over and say she want to take a picture, see me like how she take it to Atlanta. I just want to know, you cool with that? If you're not cool with that, I tell her
Yeah,
no.
I'm cool because I'm gonna be in the present.
You're going
I'm
to be in the
cool.
present. Okay, all right then, cool.
Yeah, I'll cool with that. Thank you.
All right then, see, I just want to know, can you know it go? Yes, what
Yeah.
I say? All right.
Yeah.
All right, the thing balance up, all right?
Yeah.
Mad Ross.
So when the but baby lips, what me fi do now? Me not beg him a problem. Me beg him a problem. What do you want me to do?
Then adapt me,
Anyway, me
do you
loyal to
see
him.
it?
I feel
Adapt me
inside me
and
a
tell.
stay on.
Adapt me and tell you.
I feel inside me a stay on.
That member, you know, them saying in life, if you do, you not please them. If you don't do, you please them. So live your own life. You understand? Okay? Live your own life.
Big beer, stop it.
Yeah? I'm a big beard.
The big beer stay. Follow me to Jamaican edition. I'm gonna leave me a Raga alone here. My Raga come from far.
You see it. All right then. All right, boo boo, handle your business here.
All right, darling. Good night, Tom Farmers. Good night. It was nice hanging with you guys.
Man. Okay.
See you tomorrow. Ilian, pick up yourself.
You know, so me need for me did forgot to ask Dr. Mo to make sure know so she not get hot and spicy. No cake. Cause hot and spicy, I want cake from one day, you know, look cake and all these things and pull on or something. No cake for hot and spicy. See? Yeah. Joby, why go on? Judith, we answer. Big up yourself, you know. Oh, wow. Hello?
Yeah, brother, what one?
There, you know, yes.
But yeah, man, happy Father's Day, man.
You see it. Give thanks and see him to the eye.
Yeah, man. Oh, what does me pick the one?
Eh?
Who does me get pick the one?
Me didn't hear what you say.
No, man, who does me get?
Oh, you know, no youth.
I grew up on my youth, man. I'm going to grow up, boy.
All right, then big up
All right, so Father's Day run crossing, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'll make you tell me opinion on this.
Yeah.
All right, so me a big man. I'm born like 1979.
Yeah.
So, we grew up in our yard with four of us kids. We have two shredder siblings.
Yeah.
So everybody have, me have two bigger siblings, one smaller one. All of them have them daddy, you know.
Yeah.
All of them have them daddy. So me a third one now. Me a third one. So everybody have grew up, me and just say, wait, how did you come? Then gone to them father, then gone to them granny. I mean, I know where to go.
Yeah.
So me I just say, yo, mommy, what happened to my father? And I say, yo, you know, your father get one farm ticket before you born, one guy in America, and, you know, come back, you know.
Yeah.
And I say, oh. So growing up as a kid, 12, 8, 9, 10. And I say, yo, so mommy, how come daddy not send no money for me? Why you not take care of me? Why you not know none of that relative them? So boom. So finally we married and get started out and come back to Jamaica when I was 12. So apparently that one there, so in grade 6, just like me, we share the same name. So when you come from foreign, you actually drive by the school, stop, and come check in your son. And so what weird. Oh, this man, that man, don't come check that the boy don't make call over there and you know, say nothing to me. So me run out of the classroom, in the middle of the class, you know. Me actually run out of the classroom and get in care and say, yo, Mr. John. The mother tell me, say, are you my father, man? So you come check that the man and check me to man. And I say, where are you? I don't know you. He said, yeah, man, I'm here, Sophia's son, man. And he said, oh. He said, oh, I got to see you. I will see you, mother. Boom. Nothing happened after that. So boom, I'm telling my mother and everything. 2 years past now when I'm 14, come back to Jamaica now. So nothing happened, you know. So I go to make sure we find that youth, I didn't I'm brave. So I find that youth and go down my yard with no saying, I'm say, yo, daddy. When I say that, the 2 years ago, come and say that I check me, and my mother said, yo, you my daddy. So how come they don't check me? How come nothing now go on? And he said, son, I'm not your dad, you know. I'm convinced that you may not to call me nothing, you know. But guess what? I'm going to prove it to you. Go down now, go down to your house, get a shower, and we're going to find it on a DNA test. Or a blood test. They done that blood test.
Yeah.
I said, all right, cool. What news I said, God, he's not going to that, you know.
Yeah.
So go down and start, going to hit the shower. Yeah, we're a shower. Back in the days.
Yeah.
So hit the shower and tell me, I say, you know, somebody come to a blood test up on the road.
Yeah.
But when I start coughing on, so you're not left in yard. You're not left in yard. What kind of blood test? Right now, go down, go to blood test, have blood test. Fool say, you don't have to call him up on God. Jesus Christ, everybody will say, you and daddy. I'm going to no man. So I couldn't left in yard. I'm following the Mada principle.
Yeah.
Our rules, whatever.
Yeah.
And then a situation, they gone, boom, go and come back again. That is gone, you know, something about going on. So when I 17 or 18 way after that, you come back and go check him again.
Yeah.
And I say, really big man, they really there, father. I'm not lie to you. I can't prove it, man, father. I tell you, I go to test, me even go to extend that to them and I say, yo, I know every picnic need a daddy. But guess what? But they will say, adapt you when you're 14 and take you. Because me feel that people to have them that you're not my son. And it's as a matter of fact, if I could have an embassy and get a visa, you could have come on the yard in America, go and juggle with me, go and stand there, and nothing.
Wow.
And yo, the guy embassy, you know, I never get a visa. They actually found out by the guy embassy, never get a visa. So years upon years gone off. Until he finally retired, selling house, come back to Jamaica, build up and everything. And then, he's dead.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, so guess what? They say when he's dead like this month, in the room about 30 years. And when he's dead, I'm there, at that time, I'm going to find right that evening. So if that man is never dead, me will not tell you that.
In other words, your mother knew the entire time, the whole time she knew.
So in other words, your mother knew the entire time of who breed him. I mean, at that time, I find who breed her. At that time, I find my daddy. Me actually find a man, do a DNA, and prove, say, yo, I'm a daddy that. But guess what now? So I ask my mother, how comes? You never get the right man, you say never remember. Yo, the woman they never remember how breed them. So when they start that, so
go on, Tom, yeah.
So when they start that, the biological father and asking the situation and everything now. I get to understand why he never give me him. Apart from my mother that like 24, you know, two bigger people more than me.
Mm-hmm.
And she a big runner, man, and she a work. And my daddy now a 17-year-old boy we had a high school in a grade 11 read that.
She was 24. She already have two big pitney, right? And she have work.
Yeah. Cause she get pregnant early. So she have a pitney. She have a kid when she have 15, and she have another one. She probably 20. So she have two kids, and then the third one. So she have 24. Hook up with a man where while you are 17, just in high school.
In high
so
school.
Yes, and could never in a community say, yo, you know, see a school boy that really me work. And they hide that for years until me in my 30s.
Yeah,
So if you never take the original man when give me if dead, me don't know where that no.
And you know, in this situation, women very often frame this thing as if in some way them always say them a look out for you, the child, you know. And I saw them always put it, but I never used to look out for her, you know. What she did was selfish, you know. It was very selfish.
Mm-hmm.
She protect herself, you know. I end up not protecting you, you know. She was protecting herself. I end up not protect you in a way where you suffer right through, you know.
Because I broke up my cousin and my cousin them up there and daddy. Me and friend them up there and daddy I run up and down. Me not say, you know. Me not put it this way. Me feel every woman to them there that if all they know have nothing to give them. But me can no man say, yo, that's where you come from. That's your roots.
Right.
And up to this year for I see you there. My mother ashamed, you know. She has done 70 this year. And up to this year, she don't apologize.
She don't apologize.
Up to this day.
You know, I say, this may sound now here, but I'm just a talk about women. In general, Jamaica women, them not apologize for them something. Them are going to frame it in some way where them are the victim, or, you know, understand. Yeah, it's a generalization, but I saw most women stay. The accountability is something there, you know. Most women stay, so them are going to frame it in a certain. I guarantee, in that case, that it's even harder for she go do that, you know, because she was the adult and the boy was in the high school, right? And things like that. So then, you know, she was the one who was predatory, you know. But they got frame it somewhere we say she never know what she had do or whatever, and it was a moment of weakness or something. Something them are gonna frame it in that way, but you know, she do you wrong. She do you wrong.
No, but even no. I was by young guy.
What you mean, her husband young guy?
Right now, I was by she married young guy, yo. I swear.
No, you're not 40 something.
Yeah, but young man still young guy.
You're not. Wait, 79. You're what? 47.
Yeah,
47, right? And you say your mother soon turn 70, right?
My mother 70 this year.
And she have one.
Not one.
And she there with.
And she have a husband young guy.
Yeah, your mother do that. Yeah, your mother do that. Yeah, she do she. She do she.
She long time.
Yeah, she do she. It's about her. I remember ask you something, and be fair. Your mother did treat you good and raise you good and give you love and provide for you and did it for you?
She provides for us. She provides. She does everything to provide for all of us. But love, nothing there know what love is.
But that is
a Jamaican. Through them, the Michelle I feel that them be love. But you actually tell me about when you got a permanent.
No, you can't knock her for that. That is a Jamaican thing. You know, them.
No, so because you want to example. But friends, me have a primary school. And I actually took up a book and say, yo, boy, you can't read or come this. You never do them stuff like that.
That is not unusual in Jamaica from them generation. Then, for them thing is, you provide, you make sure it's a picnic eat or whatever, and thing like that is you know, so just recently some Jamaicans on certain demographic and whatever, they you know, them really start explore the range of emotions that you know, that exist in a relationship. My mother loved me. My mother run out when shot a fire up on Percy Street, and blaze and whatever. My mother run out for a picnic when they shot a fire and love me. But my mother never yet, when me did run her from school and whatever, my mother run her from yard and all, but my mother walk street months and months, Marga down to nothing and look for me. But my mother has never, Miss Cherry has never told me or my sister, say, I love you. But I know that she never loved we she just wasn't raised like that. She know it's a Jamaican thing. From them time there, we know that thing the way you hug your kids and say I love you or whatever that I do now with my kids and whatever and thing like that. We weren't raised like that. We don't know that's something there, you know. So and them don't mean nothing about it, you know, cause what they earned was make sure it's a shelter there, them a wear clothes and them a eat them food and thing like that. That is what you do. That's your responsibility, you know, and thing, you know. But so you can't really knock her for that, you know. And then I'm gonna say another thing too. Like you hear me, I say your mother did selfish. Listen to me now. Unfortunately, 7-8 times out of 10. When you see a woman end up a go so, she did go through something where she not gonna ever tell you. Yeah, enough time as a young girl, enough time certain things reach them and thing and whatever, and them end up engaging in those forms of sex for affirmation because that is what was introduced to them at an inappropriate time
I
or
know.
whatever. So enough time you see some woman do certain things, and if you hear the full story, you would be like, "Whoa, now it makes sense." So be careful, how you there are things where your mother may have been through where she would never tell you and make you know, and she got
But
carry that
actually, I think
forward.
that it's certain way I suggest that. You know, me actually call him bigger brother, uncle, ask him if nothing like that go on. Because I know say them broke together in the house and things. So I'm saying, you really know nothing about like that still.
No, but you
And
know, but 9 times out of 10,
he said she did close to her father. So me asked her straight up if her father ever molested her or anything like that. And she said no.
Well, a lot of times, if it happen, woman not go tell her when I berate the father, or if it happen with somebody else, them not go, them thing they're tricky for women, in terms of the stigma and the shame with them when them, them carry with it, and the burden with them put upon themselves unfairly on themselves and things like that. But very often with them something there, like, listen, your mother had a child at 15, right?
Yeah, man, 15.
Well, that means more than likely that somebody had sex with her at 14, right?
Yeah, carnal abuse.
That's what I'm saying. So something was going on there and whatever. And then she had another child after that and whatever. Those are some heavy stuff, for a teenage girl to be dealing with, particularly in a Jamaican cultural context and things like that. And there often is a lot there that she wouldn't understand as a child, So my best guess is that it should be obvious, unless it was somebody your age, a teenage boy your age. But assuming it wasn't, you know, so the father where the pitney them got, where your siblings them got to, for them father?
Yeah, man, I said yes, I don't want to grow. I think you probably about 20 or 15, you maybe about 16.
Okay, well,
pretty much said age group.
Okay, well, I told pick me and things. So when I say them thing they heavy, and she pick me really understand them something there and whatever. And then unfortunately, most parents them thing that they're not equipped with the knowledge or the rhetoric to deal with those things the right way when you have teenage pregnancy and so forth and things like that. So in other words, may I say your mother being pregnant at that time with all of the hormonal fluctuations that come with that, the responsibility of a child and whatever, the stigma from the community and them thing there. Because so they must did beat her, when she go breathe them time there, Them are
I think our father did that by then, and our mother did real sick, so.
No.
Oh, you mean beat at mouth? You beat verbally?
Yeah, verbally. I mean, like, the community. Them always chat up all kind of things and whatever. So, so in other words, we don't really know the fullness of where your mother did a deal with them time there, but we can assume that it was, whatever it was, it's bound to be. When you talk about pregnancy at 14, 15, and the children are coming with it, those are heavy stuff for a child to be dealing with, having children or whatever. And so it's not that she's automatically a bad person or whatever. We really don't know the fullness. And I'm saying with those things, women keep a lot in them. Not gonna really tell you everything. And then it's easy for judge them now without knowing the full story of what we did really go on, so. And you say,
just guy get along fine. He actually know I would reach 18, 19, 20, but I'm sure every time.
Yeah, but you're asking your mother to share with you that when she was 24 with 2 children or whatever, she got sleep with a high school boy and got pregnant with you. That you have to understand why your mother may not want you to know that, because, one, she probably reached a point where she's ashamed about it, and 2, she don't want you to go feel bad about it and things like that, or you forgot look upon her in a negative light or whatever, So you have all kind of things that could have play out this, you know. But at the end of the day, at the end of the day, she won it with you, though.
And I want to tell the man I want good. The two man I was too love with them come on, man.
Okay, see.
One of them is what the other one still for them. The other one I'm communicating with. But me I say, two good guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Interesting. But you there, you know, and yeah, give thanks, but and thanks to share that one the way because yeah, that is a mix up. That is a mix up. That is indeed.
No, but I mix up. But it's a thing about that one with the me on the five daddy. Put it that way.
Yeah, I could give thanks to him, you know, and all of that, you know. You still get to know your father and thing at the end of the day or whatever, you know. And she should have found something to make you know, but you know, she did that. She did that deal with her demons too, you understand? See, one of them things.
Yeah, I like to know love and respect our baby and sure. I don't know. Just can't understand why they can't say, oh, we're a big man or we're a big man now. Just apologize, I would move on. I just that well, sometimes when I was a kid, you know, as a big man, you want to be curious. I say, you want to go on that. You're not going to go through the exact thing. You can't say, oh, no, I'm going to go on that.
Listen to me, though. Listen to me. I tell you this as a big brother, right? You know? We live in a day and age, right, you know. Moon advise if you're in a position where any woman forgot say them wrong. Because them nowadays woman and they not say them wrong. Yes, some of them are listening and I say, Raga, ray. I say them nowadays woman and them not tell them when them wrong, boy, anything or whatever. And for them thing that the accountability thing, that whatever. So don't even if you're in a position and you not get that loud, you know, say, Dr. Mac, when I talk to her since night, you know, say she couldn't come out with it.
That really? What's so hard? What's so hard with that?
You know, that's it. One of them things, man. All right. But big up yourself, you know, bro, all right?
Yeah, yes, boss. Like the perspective on that.
Yeah, man. Respect and honor here. Cool.
Cool.
Yeah. And people are going to left it this way in 90, you know. It was fun tonight, you know. It was fun tonight. I'm going to head up. If you're over TikTok and you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're over YouTube and you're not follow me yet, subscribe to me now and click the bell. If you're over YouTube and you're not subscribed to me yet, subscribe to me now. Just click the subscription and click the bell for notifications. And if you're over TikTok, follow me now. Like I said, people, me have to try and end the show earlier night time in the summer because again, unless I tell you only enough one you need for know. I keep my kids every day. When you know, their mother drop them off and me keep them on whatever and think. And you know, them come 6:37 in the morning. And you know, sleep and whatever, and them come and them ready and whatever, you know, I have to do that for them, all right? So, I have to try end the show them earlier. So, I edit up it show, put it up, so it up 10 o'clock tomorrow. Over YouTube, TamFam TV, over YouTube, TamFam TV, over YouTube, TamFam TV. And get my good night rest. You understand? Because yeah, my work during the day too and them something. All right. Big up on yourself, man. Again, thanks to the people who came out for the, you know, the get together. And it was fun. I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. And, you know. And big up all like TamFamers them out there who, you know, always a support. Big up all TamFamers, period. Big up the whole all I want to big up on yourself. Ratings and respect. Maximum. Fullness. You understand? So the thing said, yeah. All right. Bless up. In tomorrow's again. We juggle again tomorrow night. All right. And then once enough people drop asleep already, though. And I'm Mars, man. Cool. Blessings. Cool.